Abusua mama yɛmfa ayeye nnwom emenyankopɔn enede aha ɛyɛ Adom TV dwumadi we yɛ nkuranhyɛ adwumadi a osomfo ni tekotego me de ba wonfie mu meda ase sɛ wanya mmerɛ ɛhwɛ me pepese mbi so asɛm bi aso watrase ayɛ susu ho ebo kompa hwa abrabɔ mu sɛ baba a wo bui enam ayɛ a wotayo ɛne a woka no sabe susanso ben na de ba wo so ene woni a eben wo so. A life without a positive impact on the life of others is not worth living. A life without any positive impact on the life of others is not worth living. Se wo bubra, se wo din komo, se ye no bi a emfa susanso papa emre obi oben wo na woni e ben wo no. Sabi kabrabono sabi asu nimfaso. Whatever you say or do has an impact on the universe, on yourself, and on others, and even it reflects in your maker's kingdom. Nyabeye biara, yabeke biano, enyansonso e wo wiase atimu nyinara. E bia mfo wani hu. Ena nsonso no bi so ba wo so. Eni woni a woni won bu bra nyinara. Any empo etonkra eko onyankopon eho. Your words and actions don't just happen. Bibia no abayo ana abeka efiri baby na baye. Na abaye bia na ewo nchiremu ene de nti a woyoye. Esan se won hyase nkasa keke. Ena won hyase enye bi keke. Wo mra wanwene ho amfatimopo nya babaye ho. Eno nti adwene a wodwene. Ense ma woka no mutim kasa fi wa no any empo and ya water na die no, they send signals about who you are and what you want into the world, to the outer space. They tell a story about you, and finally they make an impact in your future. Nyabe bia abusia, nyabe ka bia se wade mu, usika semu, wadwuma nyabe bia beka bia no, e won sunsanso e wa abrabom. As wo kai emre bi a uye bibi na manfo bo se krachi wa yade people praise you for what you did. Okay. Ena emre bi so ba ya uye bibi ana ogino bi nchen mo ye bibi akwa wo di odin kwada asem papa. Otherwise they acted immaturely and childlike. Nia wo kan say whatever they did had an impact on people. The impact your decisions, your thoughts and your words and actions have on others, it's left for them to make judgment. O kasa wie, o ye bibi wie a, enya na be kire nkofo se o be kire asiafa. Won ye ete ne aka ye ana ohwe ne oye no. Won na be kire asiafa na wato no sikadin. The value people place on your words and actions is not dependent on you to decide. They make those decisions. Maybe for once you have to sit back and be an observer of your own words and actions, and find out whether what you are doing makes you happy, makes you look like human enough, or makes you profitable in life. To be so ujina wa brabo echi. Now bisa ho ne awo yo ne awo ka no. Asomfaso de bi ba mu. Emponsanso eba ne yesen. Abusuya. So ye ni pedie. Kwa ne ka obadwina ya nyoma. Bafatimupo etona muntuo. Na o fatimupo ana o yesusuye ana afa adwene bi ana wo kasa empo wo ye ne ye bia nya hunu se ti se dua a wo dua na se de tie bia no e be fefe aso aba ya no bi se aba wa brabo eso no e di so papa ebre wo ene woni e ben wo ba no wadi mu usika semu wapomu dini wadwuma mu aba wo so esan dua wo de wa no no ne ye edua no wo pe aba abete no ebi wa wadua brabo mu dua enso efifi pontu aba empa aba transidi nebu kompo enkobo obi sobo na ka kire won se efi ne da ekwe me ma braba beboyi onyankopon nti ebeso aba wa kwani asaso esansa meka kasapa na madan ne ye pa ede mfaso de ebebrem ne oman na busua wo ne sei dia na ma me na wase e enkere se efi ne da ekwe otwadi ampon enhye osapo mu ma na muntuo biara kasa bi abetu bi beka no be ma waso abapa na nso papa aba abrabom awadie mu usika semu wapomodne na wadwuma mu aha na meja wo me de onyame jawo onyame nhirawo na meja wo ikoso na fa yeye manyankopon me da Adom TV adwuma ekofo nyina ase camera eye enese na hofa ba akopɛ ima ena franka ene osmosa wo sound na me call production room a eja we be kampedu anape wan frankasa ene ebiom Isaac Richmond ena Weber MC OPD so bo ho na me dama da wan ase Priscilla onyame nhira obi o MCR lighting ena sound ena input for manager nyina me do obi ase wa hwe me dia wono nyame entina
Yada CBM Samuel Kwabado Badum TV Badwam Jumedi so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kote Gwase and in Cranshan Sama no pain so or the abre de do so near Badwam Cassie yani obetie wo mu bi eni ekoso kro adehye na one more ye yechire mu odin pa dia tia Abilas mining company no one ma won kwan mo meye mining no ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam Cassie ko Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV ya 119 DSTV ya 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV tube na ko adomonline.com semi ani sembebre ewo ho media fia amankwa tamaklofaseda mama Joy Trish wontadi ba ko ene hyeme ya fia ni die mientie se den sam ni chemu ankasa etie adehye ya wo mo kwawu ekoso ye kwawu West Mensimu wapoye mantemu ne wo ye chede etia Abilas Mining Company ni nyina ne se wo ma ye se won kro no wo ba betu fem agudi ho ne nso enya de se obepene mu nsam enie
ase bu nyina ne se mining ne de ye mpene so ne ochena ka ho esan se ensuo no mo ba be ye adwuma wo mu no enkurase bebre ena sasa ensuo no enti ye ntwen emo mo mese ensuo nansa ema ye manfo ho enkyere wo sese ye nyina ye hwe TV so ani radio so ye te de ekoso so mampani tu sa mane hu esa na fe ya ye tu hu sa ye nso ye hu se ye a omo se ne ma no afe na ye nso ye be makwan so omo mra ye ha na ye ha de ye makwan enne ochina enso ka ho
abana musini ye okwa West Tamimu Halidu enso e de adesrede ato omanfo ompotam ho anim so moden so ne adwumakuo no betena ase o mahwe kwan e obefa so a omienu ebekọ benkurum na watumi edi dwuma no ode to dwa se Abilas Mining Company fo no de o krata ye makwan se wotumi tufu magudie
Abilas 2 months ago me ba office random document ba and me refer my planners EP ye hwe ni nyina na genuine documents. They have the legal document to mine. They are doing large scale mining. And the municipality, as MC, Mr. Dabi, want to real community. So we want to do community engagement. Community na future of the mom say. Me mum de my dream. Ye won say assembly be bamudia. Ye be mom ye. Na ya ma ye engineers, ye physical planners. Assembly planners, they follow and supervise them. Say strictly and do responsible mining. That is what we are thinking. Because you can't come. I also want to be saying who is the witness. And no, there's a good company in West. Menoka say there's no corporate social responsibility. I feel my assembly lawyers here trauma.
Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama na ne okasaya watcher say o my Ghana blogging enso edi akotene pa ewo mu a yeyi wo mfiri mu a enye na enso akan sesudua se bi no nsam a won mo kan twere no atendie nim ne ade no doso wo nti no ebraso Ghana Journalists Association panifo ntena se na won ne sa bloggers ni hia na adwuma no won cheche won ye na boa ama won so adwuma won mo ye won sentwe adwuma mu no akoye.
The media has become a bit decentralized, and because anybody who has a phone and a camera can report news to the public, and it means that communications is dealing with a wider range of people, not only traditional, well-organized media houses, but also individuals, especially the new group called bloggers, who go to events with journalists and vie for positions with them to get the best shots and the best stories. And they just go with their phone, edit, and then they put the news out. So they become a very important part of that segment, but are unregulated. And so sometimes they go to the extreme. The language is filthy. I mean, they can just, go to town, either insulting somebody or sometimes on the limits of hate speech. Yeah, and these are things that in the whole world, people are beginning to look at and say, how can we regulate hate speech? How can we regulate, extreme foul language, And so it's just an issue I'm raising so that all of us can begin to think about it. And the point is, would we classify them in the typical sense of journalists? I mean, those bloggers, are they typically journalists? Those are all questions that must agitate our minds.
Abeto just typhoid, Yariano Manohosopa. Wo Bunu East Mantam no emu na ni nyina no ya de hye bia yi wani so ombetwe omoto agu monten nchichu any voter lake ni mu no ne santi osofo Bunu East Mantam no emu Ora Francis Owusuanchi and regional coordinating council penfo hia ya wo mu ye ne ombetumi bia sebe ye fin ombebre na se ho.
From the various presentations, we've realized that we have to improve on our water and sanitation. And the issue has to do with the voter leak zone where people defecate. So it has resulted in high typhoid rate when you go to Poro East, Poro West, Sunny East, and Sunny West.
Enwechi ena Technical University ya mampeni John Dramani Mahama ehye techimanfo boso besi ama ono so afọ de du tudwa se nkomodi akwani mu ya enche kura saa eniswade hunu ana abọhye no ebetumi abam ema techimaman no so etumi enya suapon kese ewo ho mamofra enya bi akọ.
Where we have challenge as a region is the tertiary. We have all the private schools around. We have Valley View and Anglican University, but we don't have private university. So the government assured us of getting us one university, that is the Technical University in Techiman here. So we are about to complete with the documentation. So immediately after the documentation, the team will come around for the necessary processes to be done. So we are on course.
Ne kura mu osade atudwa se assembly bedwa hodo no momodin se sika wo no jeje ne potamu hwa no omodin so odi bedi dwuma yie na odi asisi adan ene mmia hodo a omanfo no ebetumi akom amonya homfaso.
The other thematic area that we also reviewed has to do with our IGF. If we are able to increase revenue, it means that we can do our own project. We will not wait for common fund projects to come. Internally, we can do our own projects.
A school for ya one was in Stevens Presbyterian Senior High Technical School while a Siakwa, a Buakwa South, Mensimu, a Poyamantamu, Nensho more Dane, Adema one more parent, Yakamu Biama, the Shiania, the Chirano, Shadow Koye, and Cray near Chesabasa, Nequaya, Woe, Chance, and Wakunyan Suno, and Wording.
A told the Bina, Wayne Hokan, number Frano Soniama, a cookroom, I could sense you. Dimse we ya bay ema won kokrum na wakosensuo eto da bia na ensuo nti na aduane kura de mamofra na kachiri kakra enti minimse ne abay ebeboa yen afi yapon no so mofra bebre no mgu ba ko pe no ho enti we nso abay be ma yetumi asevu time say wo nyina nkofum ba ko ho na enchi yen bre nyina e wo nsuo ho nti we sawe na we sawe ya abeboa ama time so yetumi de ayadwuma wohwe machi ha dining hall na wa ha isua ye ko dining no ayenkom nti se yetumi extension na expand dining hall na beboa afa se say ya yetworo wasi no form 1 form 2 furniture ho ayeden nti age se form 3 4 no wi exams na ansa na form 1 4 no form 2 4 no timi abetworo nti say ya omuntumi yentumi nya furniture na afo no de just ye run shift we mu tworo wi na we mu betworo enti yenya furniture nso ebeboa yen
eno achi no wura George Boatin ya ono ene pani kwankyerefo oda Lindador Enterprises Limited ano enso editu dwa se saa ensu a obetu ama won no ensu a ebeboa pa ma achimesi akwa ene ne mpotemu ena fi St. Stephen's Presbyterian Senior High School yi ensu samu mu hawa onamu no ebetumi eye free ho anampo ebete so edi ama won no akire se ya na ensu mu nyarewa bebre enso eha mpotemu ofo na ogidi se saa na mo matui ebeboa eyi saa nyarewa ni nyina edi free ho na odi atudwa se mpotemu ofo modern se omu ebehwe ensu yi na omadi nini se ne be ya ebetena ho ma wafebo
ehia kwa na ehia adwumadi na se enti yo bibia ehia kwa na ehia deko eni ehia kwa fo atena papa pa omo onye bone enso enyo bone enyo so mfaso onso onye so mfaso na dwumadi bia no ba bia wo ye no na ehia wo di wani konipa na wo ho nso na wo mo bia de aboa mu na sen ya na enya ntie se omo behia nsu te ya nsu no miensa na de ma na St. Stephen's Secondary School the only secondary school was Siakwa also no mu hia bi te abeya ba kwa mo di se de ene Siakwa fo awie nsu osem de aka na ye badwe hu we say headmaster na kasa no also hia furniture e de kwa dundun se be ya Edino aka krum na sabeka school mu hasoso aka ho.
Headmaster Yawoda Irebi Senior High School William Amewuho ena edeto ankrankra ne wana wonsem wo bi enyumaku ahodo nyina anim sa womra school ni momwa na school ni ntimi nyina na so ebiemo womu ni science lab visual arts laboratory womu ni assembly hall teachers bungalow krade enka womu ni bi nyama bebre to sini e wo school mu ntim penifomra emeboa wo
Bangalo was school I back and then I'm matching I'm senior house master, farmer senior house mistress, so fun. And the bungalows here, that is the major problem of the school. And girls' dormitory, you need girls' dormitory to your friends' school. You need dining hall, way assembly hall, and a pavilion, and you are converting it into assembly hall and that of the dining hall. Send a city, you echo. You use as a dining hall, and you know as what your friend saying, assembly hall. Until we need an ultramodern assembly hall and a dining hall.
And wachi na Elder Patrick Apianti ya ono ene penia ono ena eda asore na no wompotem ho enso ekire di nti a omabeya ye de etese ede ama wono wodi tudwa se esanse ba akofo ensanso nyame ani katanti wono ma ye bie wono so a wonsem obie ne wono mu a owanyuma hodo enhwe wonsua se ne beya omso ba beye Irebi school yi mua na ama onuma sua afa no ntoma pefra e wompotem ho
ye namfofo a ye nimu omo ye adwuma wo school mu ha ena omo behu asore no no omo se Suku ni hia emwa kakra emwa mu hia ni se suku dan no ba bia nkra ni sua de no emusa enti no se ebetimi aboa de kakra ka ho enti no fare ban ni se ye boa ye nuanu mo nketo a omo ba school ha se de be yo mbenya ba bi pa etimi asua de na dachi bi omo so asiye
penifo bia oba adwumadi no ase enso editudwa se de omo abebi suku ya no ekere se adesua ho akade ba mpotem ho a ebeboa ma de kire ne adesua afa ntoma pefra enti abanhwe na omo suku no ewo sa akwan ne so se ne be ya nyoma wo no hia no omo nsa beka
ye classrooms ni ye wo bi me nka se ye ni bi ye wo bi na enso yen enti yes 6 unit classroom block na my especially when we have the elective subjects.
I mean, when they say Oma relieve a part of the burden, assembly, no, a relieve, and it is a very, very great partnership and collaboration.
Challenges. Now, one of the biggest classroom. Some mobile move fra or more ego a year. They students from there, but even classroom plan they are jammed. And you're good for teaching and learning. In the classroom, a problem, Adom and then Omabe.
Yenye no Adom TV Badwam kase na hanebema kwan na no pay DSC da so mre no adaje da bonkrata no na Facebook are you ready ye de to so ma osisi aye nche ye kwaba
Mama nyina kwaba bie enti ya system enti just gone by Adom kase na afia mankwa de ebre obedwem eso eti ugo so ehwe medwuma ha ya Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Multi TV dey boss no say live enso what ebre we dey say ye wie kase de the wakata mun sem ewo ha online ewo sanso na go kansie enso anso ne ensakrama aka wasem se eba no ene na ehya ase de afanti ye wie ya go kansie eba sem no kasei Eric Esedu Ayakrado Eshene Ghana Black Stars Jesse if you abako de
Nyamiadum boko
ye de nyamiadum
nyamiase
na ocho for ase Eric Esheye
nyamiadum ye gusu kakra nyamede abai de hwese na win ne beba
and na match no
yes and then ye boy game
and na Ghana ne Mali
against Mali yeah, 8th game na ya hwese betumi afa na no ye kogu ye hwani ma say but this time around you hope for a better results.
Any Mali about 12 matches me boy.
No me stubborn name. Ya koko share omo there but this is a new team because I'm a new coach. And why job pop and the rest of it my bear off wakra.
Yeah, we need 6, so we need 4.
Yes.
The Mali for here then.
Say the Mali for here. Well, I hope we can't afford to sleep. Yeah, quite watch out the intimate sleep you.
If you
my qualification I think.
What we show Ghana Black Stars 2010 World Cup no. Yakobo South Africa.
Oh, the Suarez is quite boy, yeah.
So this all can be and Zanam.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
One qualify now.
One Suarez now the count.
Suarez quite boy, yeah.
This is a 2010 year I'm for Kaya Suarez now.
And now as a more John the so bopim.
As
But Suarez the nam Kai.
Erica, young share sa match ni bi kakra. Ni mfa nkope ne Black Stars na ye wo no. Ni we changes here abamu ti say your sa video no all mam so e ma arefo nyina e mu nkompo kakra ni ehwe Ghana Black Stars e wo 2010 World Cup ye koso South Africa we FIFA World Cup 2010 South Africa difference o team wimpa na team ye won na okejua
well cuz you know different generations yeah either I say worldwide okay say o fa ba kan say o net place o hoyo de kwa kotototo o mo am be sin ko ne ho a maybe bi ade ya nheda nko ye fair but so many things go into say a fair players aba or times you see em fan or fair players when the players are doing well them form money at the never be break home but first dedication dey no cre we be say the cre nim nyame nim nie dedication
no for on say ahana me peno dedication
yes
it's enye so much of Obi skills are not what some years back against Oshe team a yede call South Africa na.
Yeah.
Me ni say the skillful player be to say Ronaldo and say Messi.
Yeah.
But the commitment, the respect, dedication.
They say won't be as I some no that no chat the boy the or crowd over phone cry. As a person boss and person but then it comes back to coaching. The coach so is crying and no credit me nyame and koye. But you could run say Jebende.
Say engineer commission will catch and say he is good at scouting.
Na nyanje ho bato bende.
Okay, yeah. Say can you agree that yoko I can see so.
Wow. Abusia e mo ache mo akwaba. Emra so ye hwese ne ensem ne city e wo aye agodie mo na no pay live Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fie na kan ho a ye de ensem no e brewo na ye kan sadia na appliance bia open papa mu no Franco Trading Enterprise and American for at amawo da oko Franco phone original na woto because dey obehu Samsung obehu Nokia obehu Infinix obehu but papa wo nti Samsung wo hwe na akoton Samsung aban ba na Samsung Infinix na akoton Infinix but wo du fie ansa na abehu se mu ye hata Pacho Franco dey papa partner fie na order dey ope na yemfa embrel ewo ba bia wote bia na sede ho asema no daw entisi kwanim yen kopare bo hwe producer na no pa ikejuara nkasa ne Erica Siedu body e be hyase ntem na ye dey afi qualifiers ahodo ya kwose be ba Ghana game ne so ba me nko ya no man so wodim se mo so e bo qualifiers but on the 13th now ya borra mu say na e joda ye tutu 9 weekend a day anymore you know yes cause since ya are ne fort adeba afia man ko atama kro are ne mpabo eba afia yemfa mo enante yemfa kabanante aha fa fort ne bra na hwewo wo ayi no why na bibia ntimi nkoyi o fort bi na ade ba ayi tema no fa no bra why na dey afia bu mani ana patutu abu mani jeze oh rather yakobon well ma yan konko ha Germany Juma 3-1 over Northern Ireland, and of course France and Ukraine. Spain, wow, what a game. Spain, Ejina National bought Turkey by 6 goals to 0, and Holland winning 3-2 over Lithuania. Now, you're going to go first in the games now, AC Akoi. Right, I know a Holland game. Now, I am more hearing sound on every other results. Barca, Shannon, so Portugal, Jan and I saw Bogumu, Cristiano Ronaldo. Can Numbo Ronaldo bought 2 goals in that game. Belgium Bonsia against Kazakhstan. But Italy, Gennaro Gattuso first game as coach of Italy or Estonia by 5 goals to 0. Israel, Moldova by 4 goals to 0. And Faroe Islands, Croatia, Bono 1, Montenegro, Czech Republic, Bono 2-0. It's another day, course, so horrible. And, I can say for you now, a chum, Bob, watching Ketwana, no more money. But in Africa, Ghana group within the Shannon Somame. Comoros, this Central African Republic, and the Pionsuma Comoros are boss Central African Republic by 2 goals to 0 and Ra. Am I a group now very, very interesting. And net, it will be beer. See Jane now so near Bogum, but Serbia and so we win the game. It's I don't necessarily something so we see a tier horrible and a fish no Georgia, Bulgaria by 3, and then Spain but Turkey 6, and America can Germany I can say for 1 minute and get one is there it's a somewhere running now. Yentra the CAF World Cup fixtures today. Apart from Ghana, the other games are Basso, Yentra Emra, now Emra Africa, Yentra Africa fixtures no, now Mozambique, and in Botswana in Group G, there's Guinea and Algeria, and officially Uganda and Somalia, and of course Equatorial Guinea, Tunisia, Malawi, Liberia, Madagascar, Chad. This is our group. Group I, Madagascar and Chad, and Ebo. Madagascar is saying the point in the Kuya Memo table very soon, and Ghana and Mali and Adepim. So at 7 p.m. and then Oko Guinea Bissau or Tenefini Djibouti are boy in Group A, Group D, Libya, and Eswatini, Congo, and Eritrea game, and also Congo, Kakra, but Zambia and Morocco and Nebo, Coach Evram Grant or Tenefiato Safre Morocco. Now, I send us our game, no, ABC, Ako, and Ne, fixtures, and one who know, Shadows of Sa, Ifa, and Mammy now. Ya can't say no. I'm going to be straight into Ghana camp. Near the course so horrible. And then Accra Sports Stadium, Ghana versus Mali. Coach Otoado, a head coach at the Mother Black Stars of Ghana.
Okay, so yeah, as you just said, the whole team. I mean, everybody was very disappointing after the draw in Chad. The expectation was high for us to win, and yeah, we were disappointed. We analyzed the game very well, and hope that we learned out of this, and we surely, I'm very, very sure we show another face here in Accra. Yeah, surely it's easier to play at home with our spectators supporting us, pushing our last percentage out of the bodies of the players, but also to play in the evening on grass. I expect a different face of the players. I think. Yeah, I hope that we learned out of the mistakes we did against Chad, and yeah, the good thing is at the end we still have it in our own hands. We have to keep the pace high. It will be very, very difficult against Mali, and they're in a good shape. These statistics are of no use, especially when there are friendly games in between where we use all kind of players to test. So I don't think they are really usable in terms of, oh, this coach did that and this coach did that, and I'm not afraid of anything, just God, and so I'm very, very sure we show a different face and we will win, and then yeah, your question will be not of use. Yeah. The positive truth is nothing has changed. So we are 3 points. We were 3 points ahead the second, and this was the status quo. I know Comoros is playing at the moment, so they're leading. So it's getting closer. But for us, nothing has changed. We wanted to beat Mali at home, and this is what we're looking for tomorrow. And so it's the only positive thing about the Chad game is we still have it in our own hands, and we still can decide our own destiny. So we will put everything in this game tomorrow to win this game.
Well, Otado, say your destiny, ekuta yanka sayensam, enti ene winning the wafife. Ti ebe how win the beko or the Accra Sports Stadium. But former coach of Gambia, now coach of Mali, Tom Semfit, one on say yeko bochad ni complete na pitch or non fa pitch don nyere or yen say or babeshe. Ti ne o media grow Accra Sports Stadium. Semfit.
I didn't see it. I saw pictures of the pitch, and I'm not the kind of coach who talks about pitches and circumstances. The pitch is for both teams the same level, and 10 years ago we played on different pitches, and 20 years ago we played on different pitches. I'm going to tell you a secret. I played once with Gambia. My first game with Gambia was against Algeria. Belmadi was the coach, Maris and everyone qualifier. And on purpose I made the pitch minimal size, and on purpose they were not allowed to cut the grass for a week, and we would play a draw against them, so it was a surprising result. Pitches have no influence. We have no influence on pitches. We play tomorrow on any pitch, and we will play a good game with our potential, so the pitch will be fine.
Good. All right, Thompson fit. What's on your pitches? On our pitch, Bobby Swaz, the when you win a banner pitch and a pitch of foot and a pitch from seeing a Ghana group in the city at the moment. After Enra Comoros game, no, I say to say yes. Now you're a group no, on our screens is here, and I feel young court, Nemo, and it is 16 points for Ghana, 15 for Comoros, 13 for Madagascar, Mali, our 12. Central African Republic, they Chad there, more by Chad there for Ombechi be fine. They say Chad, 1 point at Chad, one Ghana on GFE, but we are 16 points on top of the table, Comoros, and your book game, we are then 2 more games to go. 2 more games to go in October. Yeah, the side games the best chance on that who will qualify for the World Cup. The likes of Morocco will now qualify. Be qualified at Ghana, hoping to also qualify. Today at 7 p.m. live commentary. I was some family at Adom FM. Tiana was channel so the BPM will be asked. Yeah, the one some epic bro. Yes, the Black Stars of Ghana versus Mali. Now I can start star 281 hash. Select Adom TV. My amount 1,000 cities a per weekend. It is like a crackroom. 80,000 Ghana cities. JD never better to yes, na bibia ntimi nkoye enne me de kwazinsia kosua ba create back 5 aba me da afiade back 5 mun di kosua na emframa fam yem so na bibia nkoye kosua na anointed egg yeah but oh me 1,000 cities me ma 1,000 we are now send now the better kosua so by star 281 hash select Adom TV. Aha, na ebisa sa here no de kakra gu so me 1,000 yes over last week your man for dear also bet me de enne e ye woda today is your day so record press sports na we live on Adom TV now yanko bo reward the democracy cup over the weekend House of Folk Jinani and I saw to me Bogu against Great Olympics 1-0 na has it to me at the Ebogu Mo the Accra Sports Stadium Mr. Confidence na reporter I'll copy more
As of we never say that 2025 Democracy Cup Baso Ewo the University of Ghana Sports Stadium ene ni nyina abanewie dwumedie no eyefe krabehwe President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi na nionyam ebeta dwumedie nachi ena afa so Speaker of Parliament Right Honorable Kimford Smana Gbagben enso edi na nionyam ebeta dwumedie nachi GFA President Kurt Edwin Simon Okreku ene akesefo ahoro aka nyina edi won nionyam ebeta dwumedie nachi ansa na game no ankasa beba so no curtain raiser game kese pa eba so eno ukọ Parliament a omo form a team sounds and a judicial service no form a team na at the end of 90 minutes no ekoye 1-1 now we say yebo penalty shooter ya de share so no parliamentary team no winning by 3-2 ano echi no sounds so e de ma agokansie share so no end 0-0 and also na ye parliamentary select team me kire ma ewo ho and afa so ma ewo judicial service ni mo and e de share so no ewie 0-0 ano echi no na President John Dramani Mahama ebe bie jumedie no anokra ansana Great Olympics any House of Folk game no ebaso Speaker of Parliament Right Honorable Kimford Smana Gbagben ekasa no ochiemu se football ade a ebeboa na Ghana kebi ma menkebi amemu no etimi akoso ewo man Ghana. We are here to enjoy the beautiful game of football, and in doing so we pick up a lesson or two from soccer to enhance our democracy. First, soccer teaches us teamwork and collaboration. Secondly, soccer admonishes our democracy to abide by rules
of fair play. Thirdly, soccer encourages participation from diverse groups. This reflects the democratic principle of inclusivity.
NCA no eba so no Great Olympics ebo humode create chances bebre. Sanso and a House of Folk create chances bebre. But House of Folk actually sampa ya won kran na ya House of Folk omo edi nkunim by 1-0 and no aya branch here friend of Kwesi Asma on the 70th minute and onya sa go no e ma House of Folk ene ya ka Democracy Cup second edition no House of Folk etimi age esi omo sira so na dwumadie no ba ne wie no ene House of Folk head coach Masud Didi Dramani edi nkomo eno so no win bia ehiano.
Winning is good, but I think that the processes to come out with winning is more important, and so for us it's part of our team building process, and so it's a progressive work and it's a work in progress, and so this is just one of it. Even though there was a trophy, but I was looking at the aspect of what we have to continuously improve in the team and what I as a person have to also work on to improve. And so I look at the developmental part of the team more critical, even though I know we had set our clear goals in terms of competing for trophies.
Great Olympics head coach Sule Adamu Okasano Ochiremu say onye disappointed kra say House of Folk ashe no.
I'm not disappointed at all. We make sure that we have to go back and make sure that we work on our lapses and come stronger into the ultimate, which is the main league. So we come back stronger.
House of Folk echi tai for no so ebi ekasa ekira say House of Folk de ye kira nkunimdie na ye di nim wom.
Ye hu transformation e wo team no mu. Say ye bompa say this answer no e de ebewura league ni mu.
Coach na fi na o hye team no. Ye na botem mu. Na bibia be okay. Wa go! Some crown by second half no won kwade by. Ye water ton ko, you know the trema did it on. Say did it on no. Or in the goalless.
House of Folk NNA we champions of the Democracy Cup. Ye hwe ni say ombako pie mu e obi man so Germany. Na fe no omo etimi ede akansie kese pa etimi akohye so. Midin ede Emmanuel Tay Mr. Confidence me na mbegire mu ema Adom TV.
Wow, thank you. Mr. Confidence there. And I'll share the course so Accra Sports Stadium. Congratulations to House of Folk. Straight to Germany. Germany. Right. I see. Now, Kodoko Winnie, Yomoko America. We have to focus Germany. Okay. So very recently, no so some base kwa Korea ka kodo kwasem on the 21st of September. Omo bi omo African campaign ano omo hwese kwambia so ne ebisa mbe no Kumasi na nkran. Ene kodoko home games na omo de aba Accra Sports Stadium to challenge so in the Confederation Cup. Now ansani ebe ko no challenge so mema scarcity 1000 star tweet one hash select Adom TV na mema scan fango botomo, and on the 13th of September Saturday day anyway walk with the stars. Walk with the Stars. Now, you don't know about woman best brain publication. I'm okay on a city Montessori, and so can one up here. You did a good year, Monsignor. But you can walk with the stars and one Sam Sima na Yamra.
Hello, people. My name is Portia Asari Boating. It's all about Asempa FM Walk with the Stars, happening 13th of September 2025. They say a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So please come, let's work together, get some blood pumping, you know. I'll see you there.
Okay, you're walking with the stars. Mr. Anye, Asempa FM Walk with the Stars. I'm all crowded here. Why ready, pa?
I am very ready.
Say walk with the stars. Yeah. Walk with the stars. Your mom walk back.
Yaya Lopez, I'm your host for Girls Can Talk, our Adom TV. So, I was on for 13th of September. Yeah, Walk with the Stars. Asempa Walk with the Stars. Now, if you ask him, so person we a star. What do? You walk with the stars. And now, person we Kenya. You walk with the star. For instance, say you want to be a star or not, I'm telling you that come on 13th September. Now, Asempa family who na yenya walk with the stars na yenya apomuden apart from say be share your favorite superstars no ye benya ho apomuden emfaso because unanti a obi anim say it's a good thing to do as an exercise form. It's making sure say 13th September our ATTC obeba near walk with the stars.
Hi, my name is Coach Ibrahim Tanko, former Black Star and the head coach of Mediama SC. Meet me at Asempa FM, work with
Well, so on the 13th, Malaysia, what a forecourt of multimedia, how the Yesha said, if you have Fakrum, where we were the Accra Sports Stadium, it's a one summer running as a FM walk with the stars. Now, we have best brain publication, and Otum say yes, no matter what you need in publication, there are books more at Horto, but best brain publications at 0507-200-200 and at 0504-200-300. Now, can be a son of Matching Como City Montessori School, so not also Papa. 024-928-2529 024-928-2529 for Abako School Benya classmates. That should be not to the classmates for top of phone. Come up. City Montessori was a building global citizens. Now, so much they ma 1,000 and pay my catch up for Kakragum. So the corporate no pay a mama 1,000. Star 281 hash select Adom TV. They Kakragu so and only 54321 I did 1,000 and pay. Yanko. 1,000 ye man down up as zim so boom 0242-097 something 0242-097 something. Congratulations. 1,000. Wow 1,000 Ghana cedis. Why are there pa na bibia so atimi akoye and of course cause ekwan was said dem kra bobo anu a ebesi now prediction you saying Black Stars
say it was 16 points. And now Comoros was 15. How many teams now qualify?
It's a wow, that's on the qualify second over playoff.
Wow.
They say qualify automatically and echo your name.
Mali. Okay, your mom 2-1.
That's a prediction I already.
Your mom 2-1.
Ghana 2-1.
Ghana 2-1 against Mali because that's a difference in that you're too wide.
Wow.
Any difference in that you're too wide. Because if you team no much about 2 draws, 6 wins against 4 for Omodia, then it can better be 2-1.
Wow. 2-1 and there.
2-1.
But I can't so. Have you now also a prediction saying
1-0.
1-0 for who?
Ghana.
1-0 the other shoes. I need 1-0 here can work.
1.
I'm having the cage one and Eric can see the way go see over to you.
Okay. But as Eric can see this ready we can see and so every we say yeah the work at them sem na free online store see about adomonline.com. Yeah the Ebere so go to ehwe Badwam on Adom TV. We stream say on Facebook, YouTube. Share will be ATV enye bi enhwe via minim yam call adomonline.com.
Before I call adomonline.com no ma yensa na Ghana for asene ma wo machi biem because enye say na ya hu no nti fine kwe de na say ya Radio Fosu 97.1 ya chiachi amo ya mamunyina akwa abaye da se na momre no madaje amode amaye na watwe foforo kra no emu enie nti yenhwe hu ye yemo ye ho ban firi nkwanhia mane ene ensohwe ho nkoya de a obewi obenya ban amane obi anhwe no hu ye na so ya no pani de mu o mada de obo wo na asede de owen wa na jofa no wada na asede misrofo na sedama no na nkoswa na bambo no nya kese ewo yenso nti ya direct kese de wodi ase Radio Fosu yema mo ache mo akwa bia wie pe health tips no enso ebeba wiki mu ye kasafa hepatitis ho
hepatitis okay.
So also BAT ye hina yemu ye ho ban emfe ho ye wo ayi vaccine wo ho a so wo check se bi ni mu anu abo ho ban
okay we know hepatitis in general enye bia na say
hepatitis na but there na bi no na ho
na say recording the more yeah
nti ye be try so na ye be phone lines no ho ye na ye tie for mo so
na fe ka ye ya pom de ho hia ye
sa pomode die e ho hia mo me hwe ho ye
o de ya gudia
hihwe e ho ye pa na yare ya yare ya pa enti yakwasi se de oka ye no GS mpanifo won mo ye hwehwemu e de afa BC 2025 apo ya ko so
ni ya se o mo mpanifo be G sister Ghana no we let us say BG sister Ghana ene ma ankola na po
enye wasi no
BC
wow
ene ma ankola be so the phone area say it be the AI ene
sorry, no, make us what's if one
WBC, sir. ABC.
Na what's the way so more do eno Kumasi de Kumasi girls ana he Adventist girls. Okay. Adventist girls. You see nya 64 mobile phones. Hey. Mo yenti ehwo samobadomonline.com and also ewa na fe Mahama praises Greater Accra Regional Minister for demolishing illegal structures at Ramsar site.
Yeah.
Na hono say I say every year be adwiri.
Ye mom pa say ensa repeating ho bi.
Ye adwiri na say ba ye adwiri na say ba. Eh ready. Na arago sem bia na wotwe mu esi ye suppose ni bi ono abo no hutuo na ne picture no kra da ho na me say eh edi asem a na oni mo bi ha o edi e pa na be mamu a en o he de we a woda wo be ma na chi se
ordinary butu form ya
be mamu a na me say ye edi e ha wa pressure wo mo
bono hutuo
abono hutuo ne tuoro we e da ne ho eh say edi o say wan hwa wo empra obi kra wo adwuma no mu ti say security no kra e wo say ye ti kan hwehwe adwune no mu no ne ade o
afiem so what can please for us ma me nyina so fan kan kire interior minister say Ghana Immigration Service for almost mo rent allowance no ache
ya mo rent allowance
am say ache dodo am say ache dodo
ache edi say
is the wura this year mo dey see bi ma akora so any funeral no so no e down mo ka
e bi mo anya de
say
na ye obi de fiama e ready
ejira ka eti
emre because I can hold emra no ho dia e wo so wo mo saka
yemfa mo na
nti ne one working penifo no itie na wo mo nye ho adwuma
is it please for so dia so
any aban de ka o na na be so a
eti esra me trace security agencies no we are sure
mo me ntua na e mo odin se bia ni o na o de ho pressure
if you say utifio na rent so
na say ya ka
say
na wo ni ento bia ni mu a
na o ba fie ni wani bo fie ura ni mu a o ye fie be hyewo no
na say wani kura mo consider for that emre na so like wo de ka bia kura na ho adwendwen ready near destiny helpers my ni more
than can the more
than because they say a fear no so I hear you cash out.
Oh yeah,
no matter what happen I finish one increment
na wo ye wan say wo tu na obi ni pa be fo obi je kira
what's the last na make they say kwesi edin pa o say pa even is a single room self contained kura no every say wo kura be 20,000 kura wunya it is a 2-bedroom self container 40,000
she 2-bedroom apartment ya sani
afia say na akatua na kura ya he wo lorry fa wo de ba ya he ye wo ne abusua ne be de ya he everybody we
and if you see eto da bia ya na yenye calculation ye ya dwen se ye kwa akire a ne bo no wo fom ba ye nhwe transportation
na make aka hu ansa na se nkura wo ma school fees
nkura mu a eji for example transport abetua from Kokomlemle to Ebia Amahia enye the same na abetua from Kokomlemle to Medina
there be they say kura de no kura mbu ne tot nti wo nko straight wo nya straight car no ye be gya wasi hansan wa pick bi
doctor drivers ni bin so
just obia de adwen kase obia a strategy no de na mai mo e de erade mram be de edan han na even store kura na store and they say they store the money abedo and no store no so time no so and no so watum
and the Medina say omo han 5 years wonya ne ofom kra bi 3,000 a month
sir
yes
na dwana wudi anya ne yeto
3,000 cedis a month near shop na emunya kasipi
sir
open ye super dia talking about 5,000 bosome ojum finchie num 60 months
atago
yes.
So
unya ne oya papa odi a chok right 3 years
me tell 3 years and what did you sana make just say no na ekubi yo ye ko fe fu no wa he
eti ebi mako uji loan and na start business ta and the man ye dangerous
wo
yes tie ma me no ko dwem pa na fi o ma no me ho a enye kwa o
obi a ko dwom a and me nyina mu na and wo twini
say no nya ye emfa so ne say
0302211701 702 703 704 0302211701702703
yenim komo
na yenim komo na abrabo ne mo
den
senyamia mempa na wo de ana fees yin so
this man to
and say no before school no kra be wura mu no
70% 50% 70% now said that hodum na dey ko
we di senyame and we nyina wanye careful na de wo dwene ho a
obewu there be ameka say fi abedi
ba me nku ho
ye nya gidi o nyame mu
nku ho
cause to the be some for expenditure no some expenditure no what the total ye sika bi pa afia ye di ma ye ho atim say
yemfa abode
okay
yemfa abode ye mo ache mo akwa abade wo ba Badwam so
nti so obi ni efe na mo ti say
radio adum ye nkwa
anapere nyanyadum le ka say free amona praso que amona praso so nya me fem omunka nchimu na me ta prepare ni pa be 8 amu fem fifia wa amona praso
etia wo mo
ni ro bidio
etia wo nya
atia ye di yanke transi say yo ka fie fa na kida man no ya chere ni nyam su bio na ya bra bondie na me de oho na ya ni ki na mo yi na me ka kun se ene Ghana black tap ye fa ba bon temoti ni se na Ghana die
okay
obi se ye be se bitu an kwesi no nya di
okay
ye mo trene
trene
o ka de mo pihu but ma titi ya che
o
fa se o e mali o mo ke ni tue so o de chebe be butu akofo adi iti ye che ni tue ni bibia me ka santi ya me ka
da se papa yemfa samen so Samia no pay mo ache mo akwaba.
Me jo so ni abamba cho what is it?
Nyame adom ye nkwa ye da se pa.
Na commando oi.
Commando so wo radio.
Asa.
Kachai.
Eno de duma dia kwesi ni. Efia ma me fa fidie so na me chia ona mo bra champo. Wo be di ko a o bia wa bitifi. Ene titulu ne campaign titulu togwe. Na ne mama me raho etia bitamsi date na mama me raho
DNS
set up na amaye no won ni po ye set up we ana me konto Adom TV kaba mama me raho papa mama me raho anope baby ko bia ona me yere ne ba ni tie no anope mama me raho papa na kakra me kan se Nakopon ka anabobra champon ni campaign mo de fuga ni nyina Nakopon hedai ishira wonyina
ya da se pa ofofro nso so abode ana akisimi anope ye mo ache mo akwaba
sister ya nyopo ma je so adaroma
ya da se pa yentio
sister ya mamentia woni ofa kwati
yes that's
na sister ya woni bibi metia ka se because of wa ho ofenti na no pa bia me hwa Adom TV
why adie
Medase because today we said the ma kala na ibakama cameraman ya to so wa no na bakama no
I guess Mr. Moefe kakra wa na
wo Moefe nya kakra
Mr. Moefe pa
na sister ya woni me say me nkasa bra me ntia me MP papa
okay
ona mo brata Samu Abremfo a o bibie ni aso be kwai na se be dwani o boy adwuma ma bibie ni aso be kwa papa na sister ya nkomo na mu di na me do se be ma bi e ko hand store na okọ dwam anakoje botia na dade o man to ade na so ba fia no mu na se wanya oba yansanfo na oba no so mu na de adi na ti yenye ni saa so na oba yansanfo no so akoji lo no de ton ade na market anye no so aba na obedru fia be ma sabio a onyo no so mu na de adi na tiri but yo no market ni nye nto be mu na ntimetre e obi wo kunu wo yire na so okona se anye na so mu na no ba fi afa krokro eje na so na be yenkunim di atini ni makra
ya da se fa course ni si ya hupa se na so aye hyemu fa nche so chankwa hoden wo ho a e be se bie kwan de amabo ya da mase
afia Ghanaian Times abokata ensunie a civil launch of National Sanitation Day. President rally citizens announced performance assessment framework for MMDCs into nanu memeda and enforce power National Sanitation Day entuma se yeni ehuni e finodo yeni ehuni
we so jesi e pa ho e fin e he kra na me kotwa mu no ayi gata ni move god Yeah, me asa ya adwene. Na nya bibia na je se be ka kire ye. Wo fie a wo tie a wa ware ya we. Wo ma me na ebe ho ana papa be ka kire say de wo fie ni. Nti ade na efiri fie betu nwura gu abonten. Na wa wo fie ni mu wudwa no, wo market ye ni mu monka. Na wo nsiesie ho no mo a bibia je se ye ka. Me yi ne say the madressy. Yeah. Eni kwan se bia se de ohu me no obekom fie na ho ye basa. Enti sadie no wo mitim kire se me pese na ho ofe na afi obewura fie na nkoyi. Sade no ewo mitirim. Enti se nyina ya fa ne ma ba ko mienu bia ebetumi ya pushi ya me ya ma hu ne di akoso a. Mo bia nye me wura fie na obi e dwane because when na ye
fa ne man to 2 year wa ba say yes.
Mo ma hu ne di
akoso. Say sade saman eba.
Acho.
Na me kan saman say asante mampo. Abrant bi saman ni esaman nana.
Aba saman.
E no fa chire ko hwe ska no.
No. At least why ye bibia next time no. Na ye susa no. Akado ana dia.
So what is saman eba?
Me say na say ni ahia days asa ya no oba. Shini fiko.
Na be chu gatemu aprapra monten so.
Tie ni mu ha pra.
Be ntia e dey say.
Say bibia ye ko ye ni mu kra na ne emesai. At least nka abrabo wo ko wani mu.
Na ka ni ma
improve. Yeah. But we ne de afi kra na agiguo. Say bibia ye digital. Eze nwura efi no kra no. Ye hia se bibi e na eme peke mfama ye bibia ye dre.
Akwadwuro. Ye wura generation of laziness.
Ade efie bi entimu toilet ni ho. Nti wodwo so ye na nimu anu abehwie nso na gu. Se me kan wa ye bi sesi ye. Dwon sopa. Wa wani tua se gata nso bi afam.
Enfam. Osma ko hwe gata.
Desire we mo wo twam. Kan. So te se bibi. But the otimu no, say ade otimu za na no hwena.
Na nso so wo twam wo na se wo kata hwena no mbo afu.
No.
Na ye tie na. Na wo ate ade no anu sa ade ne nye no. Wo da so hwe.
We hwe amene ne hwene ne mfama na ye paint one.
Minister for local government no se me mani na mo yire mo ho mo. Na assemblies no so bo mo de pa.
Na no oti o se he. Omo chi nipa be 100.
Okay.
We omdo kokot ho na ye fine wo mo. Na me de bia chim kuhia. Na nano a kata ko se me ko ho. Makochia nana. Tina meka se so bia se ye ne dia enti na aban mampani wachichem wa mo bia bi wontumi hwe nkran nyina so to original minister eni ono nko a ye MMDC so
ye assembly members
presiding members
nyina so ewom
enti dia ne ye kwasi
obia
kasa no a chese kasa tro brofo a ye na me ya na maka dia ba be si de me yo ba ye oye afiati ade.
Oh, normal.
This one say ya na normal. Na last one so me say minister. And so say street light. Was say mana baba kini ade o ka say.
Onche say so oja de ama MMDCs no.
Say be days bia.
Yeah, say be o no aye days no. Who say o start here na ye nhye de nya MMDCs no. To no an esi mu e gather some resources
ne fancy. The street light no ye de e wo ekwan no ho. Yeah, because ye fie street light ya na ye toy.
Mo na mo to. Mwana moto bob no.
Yeah, na won to na be dey ekwan mu nyina sum ti won na beto. But street light na kan dem say ekwan no ho.
Yeah. Once see about no kwa ya esi post no
street light. Ana ye na etua.
Etima ya de. Yeah, mo ya de. Obi of obi as be nyak ehan mu.
Oh, ehan wo ho. Yeah, ehan wo ho. Nti enu mpo de.
And enu do so kra bia ye nhia se be drive be so high.
Aha. Na nsu be ku kwabran no de ato wani nti wonim kwan no a na no kwa ko chete.
Na bia fwe Ghanaian Times the workata anymore say recklessness on display. Nipa 9 and benefo 9 at motorbike so.
Aw. Yeah, last me record you obi kura. Akura kete na otomoto na chi na pani no otwamu o police anim ha ya o how did they say from Nima na from Nima ebey
Rainbow Central
ayo SG obo hantini afri Nima de eba video no na ja me to phone so me de kwai akura kete na me say me kura pani me to wanim na adon sa akata me so because me sure na akura helmet bi anhye no
before 9 emam yenu memam yenu.
Aha, na moto ben ya.
Etimoto ba akoso.
Ene menye sure say normal moto yi. Em so say moto ye wona kese bi.
Normal moto ye bia. Yama ha ye o say.
Ene omo ye slim pa.
Omo ye slim. Ayiwe Ghanaian Times na efia hunu. Nipa 9 and 9.
Ekuro be so a.
Ghana ha ya asem na make. Nipa 9. Eno musu
91. Into position ni.
Wow. Nipa 9. and a motorbike back so o ye macho
be possible and I can't because you will come hana ya ka say pragiane ho
yeah
one ma highways so near
yeah
and one nam so kra light kra ni ne ho bo na ben no wadwa and one say dodo wa contemporary so say ka bi bo ba ko careless kra because won to menko highway and also man kwan oh no mo say twa na da pa me so cross o kakra bi na akwa wa so ade no modin kan sank wo da fom kra were mu nyina ba ye so no ye ni na wo tweda ene ya bedu he
etianko generator ya fa daily graphic de bokata enso ento aso o say boss national sanitation relaunched citizens urge to keep communities clean eti daily graphic about the ball so ebo I don't know and I say engineers and planners takes over black voter Sankofa gold project eti finally afi benfo the jumede no ashobonsa okay and if you are the bokata bi so ebo am daily guide and so ebo man wa say afi the America force aid emu efuru makomo ne bo agana no onfa mo
bi ada idea na ba
this year called the bokata
o say my daily guide
so matwem
na hwe nyambe hwe ya de ho atoto nipa so nyambe hwe ya wone ma tiarade hu ye mobbo
na hwe de ma nye ho nye ya e die so so mo atwem na se Nigeria fo bi a omobbo okro no organ ma omo 20 years jail
each
o dem say omo nyina yeah 20 years ti omo che de afa na EMP takes over black voter Sankofa gold mines ya kan enho asem edada and on the chief of staff for nearby Julius Debra or see Mahama works youth job talk ti president man sem wo kan fa mabuno adwuma yo otuwa na mo pa
na ya news no so kra mampani kasa fa blogging no ho me I think say ye pa ye kan ho asem o say adoso anya no bone so de wiase ko no de sa but then ye say GJ penifo o mo hwe na yenhunu se pass wo mo yententwefo because ebi mo no kasa ene de o mo blog ni bi wo hono mo a entwa yie atenidie no ni ade ne niema bi ne e hwede atwo bi na dwaman niema ne de abeto ho ne e twa nkrofo ni nyina no ye se obinya sika kakra saa de no mampani akasa de afa ho na me ye sure se GJ president so ne executives no wo be ye bibi de afa ho se be ya ye betimi akrakra ye dwuma ni ye na se de agensam kra ye ohia ni data ene phone our camera na nida ene tripod bi na no ano no na say
aviams be bi enka bi em say agentfo be twere license exams ni bi nye dia so ne so
e bia o keka kono no
sa na be keka akwa
Yehowa
em say license exams na no say fi o say ye twere bi na yenso ye professional body who say via say Ghana anum no say o ye lawyer na nka Ghana Bar Association hu a unimu
oh yeah
so to see a sonne
it's true
apapa phone so it you go say o sorry ask me say because manya phone ya more data ya me dey continue there
be wo mu ye interview wo be ready pa ni hunu mu ne nanim bebre
o say sonne so
o say so anti de yadru so no health tips yeda say momred mu adaje na moment tune off na tie we because na wotwe mu nyina ye kasa de afa hepatitis ho tie ni ye pa na beboa wi a wafa number no wa frɛ no wakoye test ni bi entem timi ni kwasi ekɔ na fe ye de health tips no ato so ye kwaba Memo kwaba edo Badwam TV Badwam health tips eso eno ne dwumadi a ye di na dwuada de kwasi fiada 5 minutes menum pe na doctor afa topic back for the week na si aye ne kakra sa kosi say efiada bedru because ye hu ne say ye ne bumma mo a what the time ni hot time ni ho say ebu ne thought e de amamo ne ba ye nso mosomu sonko obia de atum nyame hira mo say ne nyina ye hwe apomuden e ho nsam ye say etumi baso a eye endpoint homeopathic clinic won madaroma enom so yase eme nya dokotafo anim defo ahodo ene wo mudi nkomo e wa pomden ho ti mesro frɛ Dr. Duboaten ne number ni sisi e wo screen na se na condition bi e ha wo so your doctor nti bisa no no nia no emfa emmawo yame adom na wotwe mu yanya Dr. Duboaten a oni e befa hepatitis emu ne nyina yentie ne ye ye fa moye bra me da sese waje bread dog ye mo akwa ba ye na sese bribia ye ba woje ye so na wotwe mu se ye kasa fa hepatitis so
that's right
eno ye condition ben ya
yo me da se ye ka hepatitis ya ye brebo mu yade
okay
say ni pada say ni brebo no ehuhuru ye be ka na say bu ni be ka say inflammation of the liver yenim se de brebo sitie me de brebo de me so obiara nim because ye nkola no buru nya ba beso a yekum aponche anaze odwan anaze akokọ a ye nkola no de ewe yima ye brebo eno nti brebo de obiara nim na se de brebo de nim se de sitie se de how tender it is nti se sa brebo no huhuru yade bamu a ne huhuru a ene be ka so wanya hepatitis na hepatitis ne wo mahodo bebre hepatitis no yo mo ahodo me categorize na under say 2 types ye wo viral hepatitis and ye wo non-viral hepatitis ye ka viral hepatitis na che say e moawa virus e moawa bi e na de saa huhuruye no aba wo liver nim na saa moawa na de ba ayinim no ye wo mu ahodo be num a ye be kan say hepatitis A ye wo hepatitis B ye wo hepatitis C ye wo D and ye wo E na de nti obi be ka say na de ya de
na no ho
na okura alphabet de ma ne yesa na say virus okura e de sa ya de ne ba no na kire virus okura eye alphabet okura eye nti say ye virus A na de ba ya ye say hepatitis A say ye B and de ba ya hepatitis B ye C a sa pepe and ye hepatitis ni bi so a na nye virus virus no de wo hwem enamu ene no ma bebre bi nipa ho ensuo ni sa na ma bi na de ba moja mu yade nipa ho ensuo na de sa de ne ba na mo ye won non viral hepatitis ye ka the non viral hepatitis na je say ene de enye emwawa ene de ba ne mmomu no mpem bebre nu ano ye yesu ni ye ban ene kofa beso ye esu ni ban ni bi ne de he obi wo ho a ne tiye ne ya na okoto paracetamol na wanom ne tiye ne ya wantima na okonom painkiller bi eni nto obitimi abuse sa painkillers no na brebo no de ne dwumadie kase adie ne se efin bi ebekọ honam duani mu chemical bi ebekọ honam duani mu nyina bi ekọ honam duamu bia so obi anom poison a sa poison no brebo no e fa yi no brebo na betimi the effect no brebo na be yi sa effect na free o enti obi kodi aduani bi a poison ye be kan say food poison ne ho nko ne ba no a aduani bi a ferment aduani bi asai na obi akwakodie brebo no na wo sai no enti se ekọ brebo next e inflame no a e ma brebo no huhuru a yes wanya bi e fenza hepatitis so ho ena obi wa ensa alcohol ena wa abuse no enti obi anum alcohol ama na no nyina ahye ayekọ saa ensa na wo no bebrebe ni nyina no brebo no ehu eno brebo no ehuhuru brebo no enti wakonya ensa etimo bi nya hepatitis ye be kana say alcoholic hepatitis obi owa eye drug bi na wanom ama na buso enu obi ho nsunsanso etima ni brebo no ehuhuru eno so hepatitis ni bia eni nti ye ka hepatitis ni nyina no a enye viral nko na de ba ye lifestyle bi e wo mo so timi kofa de ye fenza hepatitis ba na mo chena ye beto ankomodie ni so de ha obia no for endpoint and hepatitis ni bu person check na ohunu ade ko ha wo ene ho ko ne ba endpoint for yen was 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68
yeah Dr. Duwati ase Mr. Freno ya fe ni ahye nkomo no ase o chena sabre ya kan yo 5 minutes ye nche se be ya bitimi akeka ho akọ onuma so medi afia amankwa tamaklo Yanchia Monia Mama Kwaba and Brapejama who's a Pejumedias World of Entertainment. Dear Chagu, ya de Bisum Sumuni, dear Fatawa Nini, the Kakra, someone 70 P. Chagu. Weekend is in what Nidin Wagana as a face. It's Mr. Is would you mutaya Ghana need this year? Yeah, the war bataya who did more ding. This was so beautiful to witness. I say now from afar, true lens, Yaba Hobby. True lens. We are some way the one find one you cry. Why are they? True lens, background, classy, class. My God, for who are you trying to schedule for heavy back, this year, Mr. Easy's wedding.
That particular one.
I think today really is a great day. And, you know, Iceland is a very special place. In fact, this is my first time here. I've traveled all over the world, but not Iceland. So, Femi, thank you for for opening my eyes to come to Iceland. Actually, I've been sleeping since the time that I arrived here. I know this wedding really is so special. I had to cancel so many events to be here because Temi is a very, very special person to the family. And I think, Tosin, you are very, very lucky that you have a great wife, somebody who is very, very entrepreneurial, somebody who really wants to be on her own right from childhood. Temi doesn't really want to count on her father's money. You know, when you have a father like Femi, you have to be tough. I know you are tough, even though you are looking you always look very calm. But I know you are tough. And you should continue to make us proud. Tosin, you know, you are a part-time singer, but you are an entrepreneur. In fact, when I was with you guys yesterday, we did not talk about music. We always mute a back seat and call you the richest people on earth. But really, honestly, I must really thank, as the chairman of this occasion, I must thank each and every one of you for having time to fly all the way. Iceland is not a normal place to visit. So obviously, most of us who have actually, veered off to come down here. I mean, it took us, 8.5 hours from Nigeria. Amazing family. And I wish you all the very best. Good. Wait, before I even say that, I want to advise something. Please, I know that you have a lot of friends, but once you get married, you draw friends, and now just be between two of you. Don't get your affairs, don't discuss your affairs with anybody. Whatever it is, sort it out within yourselves. And you've been together for a while, so I'm sure this will be the best wedding in town.
Nti we muna yepese yetie wo mwenye bongo ideas mo. We muna yepese yetie wo mo skani kasa experience. Oh goodness, monsem empa emano. Yeah, where they are in 3 countries. One ma a whole down with this one call hoda mo nam. Yeah, mum, yeah, can promise. I was here follow footsteps. I was here follow can promise footsteps. Now and someone or kafa Mr. Easy which say musicians will see it me ejai kasa because there's a guy no investments 18 countries. Don't go tell the heck say yo, there's a Mr. Easy on Caso, secret billionaire. Also I heard that in the next few years, he'll be the richest musician from Africa. Yes. Just what kind of Ellen White? Sister, no, so another secret billionaire on Casao. Now, where say, King, Quano Dawson, Quan, no, they no doors, but where Casa? Iceland, Monaco, Dubai. Yenchum, congratulations to them once again. This was so classy. And wedding. We were wedding, piano, fashion this year. You best because train women will be a message. Mon function this year and my near started after for Molly and Swakoshia Cardi B Wakoshia Cardi now buy an idea or they shake it to the max. Just one song, baby, I will rerun. Ya deradia sepa ye, yanke bomb pies and Kagana no, Katis ni she so be a bonumbe 39. Oh, 39. When she a legend back Ghana and which Yabada Moli as say or raise the flag of Ghana so high. Momon sema baya and take this for the show. Yakore senia a call ye, Yabaya to us. And sana it's here Yankopon de oya na adia we ne fefe nya me time no so because get ya nwumi ya say enwuma we release da fa onya new management almost yen san fantum ka wanye suti a ka by now no ka any opportunity singing album Tekoda suti e de ye aso di bebre nye store one academy sa na ye de nti no I don't know di e che ni wanya hit bebre no. Thank you very much. Yenko netizan be concerned so concerning Mr. Easy obi aware okotunifo se edin a obe use enie na wo so say name ya den nipa a wo tro ye hwe wo tremu a edin na abaya ni kuta no ano hye etina nka Kofi ya say aware be no Sandro say no esan se Kofi ya say papa wo skint no ke ye ka Sandro heme no papa wo skint ye nkipi o heme no come on obetimi dey na middle name the papa create ne for say your husband is the boss bow to him. Tiwa we che so dey futu obey. Okwa Iceland obi. Ye beti ba ye mfa. Wate, 24 bra ye mfa. Tufo.
Mr. Easy made was giving his surname to Temi Otedola. Mr. Easy, now you suppose collect Temi Otedola surname. You don't know who you marry, Mr. Easy. You go give him Temi Ajibade. You not suppose give him your surname. Sometimes a man suppose humble himself, collect the surname of a woman, especially when you are marrying someone as powerful, as influential as Otedola Pikin. Mr. Easy, if you collect that surname, you are doing yourself a favor, you are doing your family a favor, you are doing your generation a favor. Your surname when you carry give Temi no make sense. In my opinion, Mr. Easy and Temi, congratulations to you both on your wedding. But I don't understand why you guys came out and said that you spent over $15 million on your wedding. From what I don't see online so far, that was a low-key wedding. Wedding we wanna do, make una don't spend money. Una do I'm low-key. The wedding no they loud now. I'm an OG. That's why I'm saying this to you.
Oh, I love you, Radio God.
And I can't keep repeating.
Order for wow kasa ye beda wase. Afutuo de egugumu ahodo. Ade chi ade sa obi anso wofo na wo 32 wa wanko Iceland when you machi anko mu na akwa anko san. Ye nyina ye be ye hulele. Congratulations. Ne de amomo na ija woso. On that note, Mr. Easy, here no, na mo kasa. Oh, sabo bi wow. Okopie road na aka se bronia ye Ghana for your share. Me hu se so share bi un person mu truly abaya no body shame ni ade ma ya munyae.
Sounds fantastic. You guys should tap in and look at that episode. It's on our YouTube right now. YouTube.com/OKPlayer.
This is a one-of-one custom.
Wow.
Yeah.
Special
night. We love it. You know what?
We are definitely rating it a 10 out of 10. It's giving confidence. It's giving mermaid hair. You know, and she's up for best Afrobeat.
You know what? It's my first time.
I don't know. OKPlayer said that.
I think she's winning that.
I think she's winning that too. Tyler fans, don't come at us.
I remember the most.
Listen, man, shake it to the max.
But we've been shaking it to the max.
Is there anybody, I mean, the list is so long tonight of the superstars that are going to be
24/7.
Who are you excited to see your
Yeah, I'm giving a prediction that Molly's going to win Best
I want to be
Afrobeat.
sexy. She just pulled up. She's looking mighty fine tonight. I want to.
Tyler's a close second.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I mean, but with the Fly remix, she's got everyone on the remix and everything.
So thank you so much for
It's been bumping
it
every single day.
You will not want to miss.
It's been almost a song of the
Mami mo bian Karen show. You are who you think you are. Me mo want say me boy because Ghana need represented. Now her squad here she about challenge me production oh. Yeah, hard am I am ko TJ MPM. Hallelujah. Wow, mo sa mo bian ma moli. Na upcoming artist me yes remo a ye best remo e radi din mu. Edin a mo fafa no mo ngane simple my te se moli ni abone ekọ. Crabby by in seven friends, Kofi Laskala, and the set blanks. I think why na Becca? Oh, want to try dinner so why na Samini so Paluta Kakara. We be just a DNA see a Shambra.
Mene paluta ko embassy. Ya ye bibia we say aka biometrics. Ya the paluta nsa for no carry machine so a. Ade no fa. Ya ade no fa ye de mensa tare na afa. Me dem say ye go me no. Me say go me no. Ti e be kru so hye na ya e be no so hye dia. Palu. Bad man. I just saw yo Europe. Watch out. Touchdown soon, yeah?
That's right. Respect.
Ouch.
Ya de besi na yapon ewa hase na yaton kra magazine ne manfo dwumwa wura constituency. You can check exhibit for this team multimedia can brands. Adom TV for store me hono because na omo sha fashion as a Kundum festival. Ya sha obo said ye be ko hosu wo bia no ye be twa agudi ama because amamre ni amane de Adom TV efa ne kwenti exhibit. Diane ni na momboabo no Gaius is coming. You know what I'm saying? Oh PDM producer Sarah Pare. Baby girl, or my director, Wobe Kofi Ampedu supervisor, or Techi Kofi Ase, or Thomas Waha Azu, Yusuf, MCR, Lizzie, or makeup. Fresh boy ni kwebe da mungina mo as Frank. Happy belated birthday and come Frank a sound engineer waha nyame enshra pay. We love you Frank. God bless your new age. I'm the guy Queen. Medibesi. Bye for now.
When you start sending her, where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Yada CVM Samuel Kwabado Badum TV Badwam Jumedino eso Sister Sandy B or your guy. Yada na se papa na before or no ote health tips no. Na what you mon koma ye di no hepatitis no. Ti Mr. Yentie ni ye bo ho ban ya woni yare bia any problem. Enti fasedan soma endpoint homeopathic clinic one mother romanti ena yedisa enkomo yenya doctor for ene wo mudi enkomo no nti yare bia ha wadwen a so yentumika na yenko endpoint ho number ni 0244 867068 0244 867068 na one Dr. Duboaten edi enkomo dwada foforo kra mu ni na director Sarah Mpacho share screen so na ye nia esefata wadaroma na machia order se no adwuma pa uguso eye oti adwuma na se akasa bi anim ati ase mo ya mi sha papa ya da se ma fase da mama Joy Trish on montadi ba ko na hyemi ene fans nko a no mo ye fans ni nyina momu a kakasa bi anim me da mo se mo appreciate it ne sa no oko Instagram ni Facebook a my joy Trish ewo hontadi ene ntadi bia wo pe bia wiki mu ndo ma ene se me nkɔ ne jacket nko a sa corporate no ene no we no kaminya mano kala ne bidia wine na ka Emirates semi o semi so no te flight no so ati ase aha enti em se next time combination make kan bom sa na mde ama dress it se be ya wani beje Madam Joy for ase me wo Dr. George Esiama Junior waha C4C liver specialist hospital ho in Ofriba na ene o se kasafa role of liver in regulating the prostate gland as a new liver ne de say yin fi bibia mu enye yi bibia anti mema no prostate no gland no de liver no ye edeboa so ni se busumi we no e prostate awareness month nti omo ewo liver tone wo hoidi tie ni ye ye wi bibi kire wadwe an wafre dog na fe ono wato aso dog me mo akwa be na bia bokode enyame ase pa adwuma musu koye
yeguso
enyame ase ene wo se ye hwe de liver no ye ewo prostate gland ehu adaro ma yentio
Stefia ye betia
na ye ka se sa prostate gland na no
yes ye betia ohwefo bia ne anope na yada obi bia so ase senior can rightly this month no a prostate awareness month nti yegusu bohu dero na prostate no ubisa say gland na den pacho prostate gland no important gland na emema nkwan wo bi
okay
yeah o share the history of prostate gland na your friend prostatis a Greek word which means the guardian and as a protector na just or your obamofo kese pa. Now you see a part of the male reproductive system. Now you share anatomically your bladder no akoye jonso chano when a jonso nyina begada. Na se ho pe no na prostate gland no ehye. na bladder no so akoye jinso twa no nti ya wo say ebia na jonso afa the friend urethra mu na aba abonten nti na se ho pe no prostate gland ne ho ya say surround urethra ne kakra na ne juma titru pa edi woni pedua no mu ne say ye ni pedua no ye wo special cells bi wo ye testis mema to say Sertoli cells, Langdon cells. We mun produce sperm cells ne maye. And so sa sperm cells no, eya no ma ho den no wofom. Eno nti Nyankopon the prostate gland no ahye ho a, ono no bema no nsuo sronko bi. Sa nsuo no ye say e contain zinc, e contain phosphate, e contain citric acid, e contain alkaline. We nyina ye nnuane ahoɔden bi a emma sperm cell no nya strong, very very healthy, so that omo betimi anante akwa akɔhye oba nyinsɛn. Sebi ye nuanu mba no genitalia no hwehwɛ mama ehu sɛ ya acidic kakra. Enti alkaline no eboa sɛ ne be balance between acid and alkaline, so that nyinsɛn betimi akɔso. Enti prostate gland is a very important organ. Apart from say Kenyan sperm cells no, osan so ewo PSA. PSA ni a prostate specific antigen, a special protein bi. And also boa ema sperm cell no etimi nante. Until you say the prostate helps in the mobility of the sperm cell. Na wasan so annourished no, iron rich no. Until prostate gland no ehu hiyama mema, ehiyama sebi ahoɔden abeba ya sperm cell mu na yinsan etimi aba. Until you can prostate gland na ne juma kɛse a edi no. So if you are nuanu mba so bibi the female prostate. Yes. Emre ma ye kwan ma ye nko into details, but your female prostate.
Examples say prostate disorders.
Yes. If you mama ye hu say prostate gland no ne hu hia nti any baby a owo no most of the time infection ha no. Nti say emwa bi emfa ye ni hu titru bacteria etimi nya kwan be fa urethra ni mu not na ho cha otimi swim no akwa ko infective prostate no. Na ma wenya prostatitis. That means the prostate no aye inflamed. Ebi wo kra ye wo acute na che say afi na starting. Ana say chronic abache empem bebre no emema yenya gonorrhea, syphilis. We will have 10 years, 15 years or so we treat it. But obeba hospital abaya the test bi na ye recurrent. Na che say prostate gland no ba be infected no. Nti prostatitis is one major one. And na prostate cancer. Cancer akoye canker or how kese pa gradually build it. Nti if you mama yen say apart from lung cancer, skin cancer, prostate cancer is very common one memem. Nti most of the time a lifestyle, genetic and anemia account. And your benign prostatic hyperplasia. Hyperplasia na hypertrophy chese ayekese. And a benign chese enye cancerous. Nti prostate no to me yekese more than the normal size no. Ya wo akwala fofra na ya bema prostate gland no eye ketu bi te say beans. Okay. But ye nyi no na no so nyi. Nti ye say eye directly proportional to your age. Because ye nyi a your hormones e build it up. Hormones no so e feed prostate gland. Nti say e be ye kese more than normal. Na afi doctor start to say oni wo ba be di prostate disorders home komo based on the signs and symptoms awodo u enya na eya nioma bebre na kwatwetweba your risk factors ebiti say obesity kesiye bebre ekwatweba oye kesiye bebre a etimi ma hormones na imbalance kakra oye kesiye bebre so a hormones na anya balance a the pressure to other organs no so ebi so ho krampo a na eye metabolic syndrome ye ka metabolic syndrome a ye ni pedia na eduane kom insio kom edro kom a e wo how our body ni breaking it down and then metabolism no. But say intimi breaking ye a utimi nya syndrome enti bi te say diabetes increase with chance e bi te say heart conditions etimi increase with chances of prostate enlargement enti basically na ye hwe say metabolic disorders etimi come prostate condition so e kese.
Wow. Yes. And here signs and symptoms say yeah prostate disorders in the other.
Yes. So if you have signs and symptoms no a hard dream pa Well, special client do at sometimes 1 a.m., 2 a.m. no frail. Johnson and Ma. Until a call washroom, a bit me are spending almost 3 to 4 hours just to empty the bowl.
Wow.
Imagine, say, Johnson I do watch it. Now we did make our call washroom.
Now Emma. Oh.
Tibo say, lower abdomen. Yeah. Johnson also so be wo na be bakra e back to be nejai e bi so wo kra ye stop and start eno hu say e ba fa nejai o ho ai say wo kwetena sia na eno asansa ba biom nti we nyina no so to etimi ka kire wo say prostate no ehu ya atochima Johnson be ye ntentem Johnson no ma pains to me ba be man mu ana emutimi hyehyew. Very important, lower abdomen. Pains no cry to me as the Nico Wichi. When na no a science a bachelor. If you are crampo na, etima we your phone mukra or feel pains where your phone because of baby are onya pains ninti. These are some of the major symptoms are obenya. Be cry or how call washroom but never buying trickles. As so kitten. Meanwhile, so also chim cassia. Well, when you know a voiding obstructive symptoms. Naturally, say, to me, Emma Johnson in free Winnipedium. Say Johnson also in free mua. Johnson also a fee. Tia fee no so better now Winnipedianum. Say organs are out Emma or bladder to me are infected. It ima or kidneys are infected. It me fro a systemic infection co Winnipedian in prostate condition there. Yen do one grow.
Tidina livoton no. Ebeye and I say dear na a quite ben a liver and be faswa. Regulate how no.
If you are living there, send in your introduction, no kind. Ye gino cra. Baby, I live no. One major thing is say, dear, a day prostate enlargement, ebano, a hormonal imbalance. Brebono so yes, who say our hormonal regulatory function. Into estrogen, nay, yet a testosterone as androgen hormone. A cost rubebrea estrogen titru ye no na testosterone no ye mema de no
ye no asopa fachaye
ba form it is no ba form bebrea etimi ma estrogen no share prostate na ye kese the same thing brebo na bi omo so ehwe cancer nti enzymes bi omo amhwe cancer ne o medical cancer ba na ahwe nti ye gidie ni se brebo na hoodin no wosoro a etimi eboa balance hormone no etimi eboa cancer cells no etimi eboa eye cholesterol how do you produce no so to ma prostate no ye kese enti na ye bohu de ro se peprosto care and I say livoton yes livoton yes special medication you combine it with prostate care na ye dey aboa with the prostate enti livoton no ekenya brebo no now, breborn functions, hormonal function, cholesterol regulatory function, immune function, about infections, a man who are in so and until livoton were all over Ghana and to some extent, part of your friend number, maybe to Jana, baby, I want you be free delivery at the amount near teleconsulting. So I can we patch your friend number in a yending come on. Now, yes, you am for livoton, MWA, na prostate condition, I would read, but anyway, how be a bani pediano so no, yen Kenya and breborn into me 050 00 40 331 050 00 40 331 and I say 050 00 40 328 050 00 40 328 C4C liver specialist you say obrebo ne wa brapo ye gi ye ndro ni digi ye treatment plans ni di and into na abbreviate ka say once treated forever treated and pay yada obibias
yes so yada se papa Dr. George Esiama Junior na oteno and Kanosi C4C liver specialist hospital na ete won kan I had a bema kwan yem birthday celebrants na edwo munyina sie radi hira munyina bako wontina ni munso enchiremo me kwesi aye krado asemidike to aso midi afia amankwa tamaklo
akwesi insia commander 6 Kano said
yenya na be kan se de simi etie yenya dia kokodro oboni die kwa so ebe kan se de simi tie last week manager pa semu amampere His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Asia the executives of Ghana Journalists Association or the two amanim said the rate at which a 10-year adore so ye dwuma mu no too much eye me de sɛ mampani adwene aba so sɛ His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na adwene aba so sɛ atɛnnie wɔ yɛ adwuma a yɛyɛ from bloggers to traditional media practitioners. So it's good. I believe say a free net echo. Your best sanitize system no. Uno be nyadwena nyatam didie. Semeni ampedu nyadwena enya fra me kosopa no. Me kire die nti ampedu me no nyadwen. We sit in a country where we hail journalists, a TV new radio, so a team penny for them, thinking said they are our heroes. We believe our politicians. Yes, just answer some trefo in a chino. You will learn something out of it. Obinya twetwa buanya phone ketwa ba ko bia enya internet gusua office yoga. Tipen for them sa. Ya me fa bone che. Ma mi na wache ma mi na kwa ba. Sem ni ka bre na aduru so no. Ye for na sekese koma ye proud sponsor. Kingdom garlic bitters and a Kingdom garlic capsules. Edu papa. Edrowi. Ebradi nyame. Obania mufa nyame nhyiraw nyame wonyo kese akoma pa no odo ya wo ma Ghana ne hyenti nyame nto ensupa enwu oniema wo yeso ne nyina ye adwuma baako obi opeto paye obi pensuo ne nyina Kingdom edrona e fruit nwe so bepe onaso ase se ye malaria wonu mato na ntimi ndidi eye de mekan majade Kingdom garlic bitters, Kingdom garlic capsules. Ghana super drugstore beer me kumbia. Ya ton Kingdom ne bi wo hodom. Open the door to a frame 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153. Kingdom was no challenger. Omna so yasne emi de asemi di kadwumadi ebro. And na pekwebedi eyetiawa about Jenny. Na last week na me hu adibe. But mo sane ba akuafo no video no fama me. Se Ghana akuafo a edo Jenny esu etepentenkwa. Se adania Jenny ya omudua no se ya na esei. Because ya pene ama ho kwan ama ye kra Jenny dodo de free nkrofo ama so ba ye mayimu ena no so ne boa no so ewo fom eti eku Ghana for de no ye hwe Ghana for nsem bia won de tu ja won adua Jenny bi ye mayimu
nti yeso sisi ana edi ko market ho no enko maye edi whole Ghana sisi a udi agogo Jenny no koto ho se na se enche kwa more than 1 month ebegu ho kra bona 1 month ohun foso bia ewo na gere gene na bae no na ma wani na ba na gere de ne mba yanim se ka waye de aka mo beto amaye so onye ka se bebre mi se Ghana company for se omo heso omo mboye na adwuma na koso maye
chairman a ono ne da Asante Achim North Onion Farmers Association anon Moro Adamu enso de nsem se eto aban nanim
mesre pedinfo Ghana pedinfo se omo mboye mo mbire ko mbe se 2 months na se 3 months ko anwa the so pian de no bia I say tell egu hoyi enkola ya sa magu abegu hoyi se be den and the Monday the hase kan na bia ni ase to phone nyina gwa o man to ne man no go be to mutime break o me 2 months na se 3 months ya na ko ma sa maye ene sa ya boka sika be fe nkola we ya na be fe nkola ma o ko school
eti Asante Achim Jenny ekuafo ena mte so ne Adom kase etwetwe enkomo no ye wo challenge bi ewo yensem na me do be call through ye some data be about Ghana ye Jenny edua ene sene ye Jenny awdo a Ghana ekuafo etimi edua ewo ye man emu ekuafo ye wo Ghana ye do Jenny dodu omutimi edua ene Jenny free amono ne eba ene any DNT abepem na Ghana ekwefo edo jene said ya kra na essay or how ni ye now no akwa wie the chief of staff Orangelo Zebra weekend and some of the tuja about growing Ghana. Some did say what I'll pay on media revenue culture. South America by same and one now or the boy Ghana free the wajai. Etishadie 2022 you grow your gene production. Economy ye pa amafe near to me at about 151,000 metric tons. We are domestic Ghana gene ya near Gia enono. Yenya asasiantambe se 8,304 hectares and a D Gia gene. Now, on average, from 1990s, they say your tons per hectare, Kwana airport transfer, ranging around 18.2%. Jene ya yakra edipa yememu. Now it was 62,500 tons. Shadio. Jene ya yakra ediba omemu. About 62,500 tons. Most especially from Niger. This is in 2023. It's very kaka to Ghana dia yejia 151,000 metric tons. And yakra 62,500 metric tons. But 70% of this 151,000 essay because any baby ya be kurano 70% of 151,000 metric tons of Jia or Yamam essay at the Kraden Abayading at the amount. If you can find your mopa, if you said you can phone Ekan, say an energy for Jenno and Abaji Hini and Ghana. We is one of price ever for more or Gauta Ghana or baby I was stone. It was steady market, okay. Ghana, second betim diako, a be at the best of 15 bars, a quebesan. Not 15 about no agis cannot call. But Ghana, Nina, what you are general Ghana, no, or 151,000 metric tons, 70% I said because only baby of a crown. Ma'am, the next slide. The next one. Ojiano. Only baby of a crown. Oh, mammy, December to January to Weno. Yes. Now, right here. Your production kasa season no any. So she ma call a statement to man temua. Every January to April. And na ye January eba pa eso ye e de maye. Enti every January ebe si April no. Ye January akosoro. Eti Ghana ni hwe no se okodwamu a January bo be den ebe ba fom. But body car counters because what do queeni no baby obe kra Jane no din enti. Ni Jane be bra wodwe nyina no esai. Etebadi ya ba bedu around best December na se ebi ama September ye wo mu yi. Ye bia asha asase e fade out kakra bi na e wo wodom no. Na ama Ghana de no aba ba den. Because kakra na aka no so obi akopre ho. No obi a kire de. Mam na so na me kire ayefo ade bi. David ko good ahaya. Eti ye how no enyina ani o how kese ye wo e wo Jene edua ne ho e wo Ghana eni ma me kwa amasam ko di komo yi emra me ni eye kwani ba ko no so edua Jene e wo man mu aye friend no eye Innocent Agbalanyo ekodi ekwo. Innocent, good morning.
Morning.
Boko de
Yami adom.
Die na man ya den se mu betimi akora Jene dodo na mudua e wo man mu.
Say Jane no the idea say yes you betimi akora na say de medical atia watifo.
Yeah, that's it.
Say obi oti Adom TV bia na Adom FM bia no. Me mo bia achen and anopai. Na me ba wa asem no bisare me so a de be ma etimi akora Jane no e wo man mu ne say ye ni baby potin a say de ye krofo no omo e wo baby ate say omo tu Jane no omo timi store wo ho be 3 months ana 4 months as an omo de aba omo animu eno ye ni baby wo asa enti no say udua je ne na say time ne so na ko ba say sese wutu a ope sese wutu because one to a say ewo efom ho esa se woni baby potia obetimi akokora je ne no ewo ho enti na age say wutu ne sa price ne yo price ne nyo sese wutu enti na no so ya de a ehaye o man mu pa.
Okay. Binim se Nigerfo no ene ha mo ye pa. Nigerfo no bo no ete se ya muntimi match omo ya se Ghana de no ebo de che Niger de no.
Nigerfo no un se de meti o kasam udi kan no wa store ho ena ode ba.
Okay.
Enti ono ba obeti price ne so.
Okay.
Se be obetimi anya ne sika na ode akọ. Ena Ghana ha so expenses na ye di putu ewo afu ni mu no expenses no enema no ewo soro phone ho materials ho ne ma no ewo soro enti na ko ba sa no a esese otimi so nya price bia wetimi ato se de be ya e ka na wa bo waduma ne ho no e betimi aboa e ko ne te se petrol se mu imu superpo a super se no ansa no ube ye fu wa ne ka obeto super e di abono na this year so ni to no ewo fom enti so bo ne sa Intina nyina aka ho ne ma jene no utihwe o expenses na odi apu akọ afuo ni mu na se jene ni price no anko be enu ba bia ma opa na adwuma ni nyina akọ ye ekanko ha.
Okay. Eti afa kire se udo jene eye 1 acre. Roughly be cost to be say.
Oh, udo jene 1 acre roughly no say bia wo materials wo ho a ye wodi ya roughly no crop I be cast rough calculation aje unya be from 2005 20,005 echo answer 25,000 echo
25,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah,
that's certificate 250 million.
Yeah, no kra no jinya mi bam answer na betimi
na 1 acre no betimi ate boto be say
o say
1 acre no betimi ate boto be say
1 acre no de ne boto hye no sometimes no it depend jene ne bo no jene ne bo yi ma o de betimi ahye bia almost 60 and 70 and I do the be so na jene na anya timiti ba for maybe 50 45 this year akra obi do bi otu odo almost 3 acres 30 bars per no share obi so obi dey 10 acres ono so 2 year or share 30 bars because of ho ne ma ne ho akade ne petrol 7 no and do season bi so aye omo bi omo haye wa hakakra.
Okay.
Tin ni nyina ebe uraje ni mpa na ama enema ni nyina aye basa
na moni aban atena se di nkomo or how ya mo because me hwe me data me wo a jene ya edua organa no edoso chen jene edi free am no ne eba eti adeti na still your capacity ebetimi dia dododo dia ye da so prima ye se pia jene begumu a omobo no ewo fam chen ye de moni aban pe fo di nkomo die no waka kire mo.
Okay, to me ne die ye ha na ye ho de ye ne me sheda nyini se penifo no amoda ye ni mo ne aban penifo adi nkomo.
Okay.
But now no ye te se eye omomototo jene no bi no no ene ni penifo di nkomo se jene no free eye achiri eba no.
Yeah.
Ama ye ha jene no titru Nigeria ne eye
Niger
for the na eba no. E ma ye ha jene no price no e be ye less. You know, it is almost say trailer no mo de fio do na eba no. Ka mo nya mai bia a week we are trailer be 3 say de be ya haje ne so so betimi akọ price kakra amaye.
Se omo je ne omo de ba no de che ye de na na.
Enye ne de ye che ye de no but the price na wo for money no e ba pa e ma no ani di enu achi che ye de no. Eti no na akọ ba say ye de na say omo beto I so motiso
ba me so ne me tete dia say Niger de no asa no so no de kakra chen Ghana de no because about the price ne kwa de na say Ghana ni nim say de amekwa akoto no value e wo mu a certainly yes ubenya dodo ne be on fall for ne bo e wo for but say anu so no de chen de ne dia wo nyini say e betimi asua bi de free Niger for no ho ye je ne duanim.
But sometimes na ya de man bi no mukeka ne say yen haje ne no ano ye de kakra chen is je de no.
Okay.
It is a be a wuchucha kra ye de ne kwani kakra chen
Nigeria
no.
E your massa ase no mu dua oso no ana akade no mo de ka odi dua no ene ma mo de ente sa na se ete sei
me chire no mu bebre sa.
Okay.
Beti mi aka se ebia omomo seed no omomo di dua jere ne different man yen seed no a yen yusu wa ha se no.
Sem akoye nkrofo a mo so mu dua jere mo ma nwe se me try omo seed ni bi wo Ghana mi ahwese bi e be fa mamo a.
Oh no kwale seed no enye yan na koto atofo no beto jene omo na di seed ne bre enti no.
Okay.
O ka kire no a de ode beba no ene na obeje se odi dua.
Ba ni omo di emamu ni omo di mamu sei munyuma emamu boka adenti na mun suggesting fa kire mo se Nigeria na Ghana for pa ye be pe Nigeria for say ndi bi ni adua e wo Ghana na yetimi aton e de ma Ghana for na e pe Nigeria no
no so no you betini ayi ne sa
okay
ni nyina mu so no ye ya ho di ntimi enya ni bebere sa je say aban no so no
okay
etimi eboa ye e wo sa fam ni mu
wate
se no hu se ai Nigeria for je ne Nigeria for de na different man had it
okay
we ya aye bias no amobeto je ne no omo mo de ano mo pe eye sa sidi ni bi mre eye Ghana ha for so de so ye ndia se de be ya bibia betimi akoso ye am this year ka kwa
mate better see innocent ya better see I say Minister for Food and Agriculture etu anamobi area founty minister ye de nibedi achini ha bia nso bepem ere akwakosi eti jenefo asem no say area so what say Nigeria de because bia ya sa no kra na bia nyefo Nigeria si na say eyomo de seed ni brem na emrem Nigeria de me be ya try hono so ne yehwe because na okay to be honest Ghana jene de ko ani a eja wado wa bo say yes otija ho Ghana de no ko ani a afere matati wa hwe ya so otu obeka say ananu je na metwe de say ko ani a hye nya ya ba dem ko to ye de ani afere mati enkomo na se so eti pelfo mi hwe se Nigeria de na Ghana for pede a ene seed no mo ewo de a yenkopɔ mu seed ni bi ni emedua abra bampelfo etu anamo said okay ebe cost about 25,000 Ghana cedis and had a dua jene 1 acre so me chano would be dua jene 1 acre would dua ta jene 1 acre na say ebe ye edema wa be say 25-30 bucks ubetimi anya so the issue is ekwame de betimi afa so aboa se ne be ya eka hodo ye omo ebo ewo mu production mu no ebetimi aba fom no motimi di amiti ebo na Nigeria for ede eba no because menyini say Nigeria economy no eye far better than Ghana sa Nigeria economy nyini say eye better than Ghana sa so say Nigeria betimi abeton January ya ne bo wo fom e chen Ghana ni dia ye dua e wo hanom so yenhwe the factors ya ewom dia na ma Nigeria for de ne eba ne bo no e wo fom dia na ma Ghana de na ye dua o ye mamu ana e bia ka transportation driver from kakade aba no ne bo e wo so chen na efri Nigeria eba we esi ohine mpanfo eguso asukodo omo ye ho adwuma omo a full scope of ye onion sector no eti etwen eba mesa ne esi aba begina ne ade ho komo ne adomo suko eye ye fana se kese koma Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules eri papa pen edwaso a amanfo age atomuo obia etobie obia filimusa Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules oba tobi bema numbi umpensu abenya ntopaye ompetopaye abenya nsuo Kingdom garlic bitters Kingdom garlic capsules o member bi atondro bia no kwa sebeka bi ato atufo friend number 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenge. I'm going to say asne emere asem yidika ebro me di akwasi isi de pese mu eto aso wakra ya ba munya wache makwa ba emfa emra bedwam jumede so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV. They boss so You're live and so you're streaming on all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Maybe I could be Adom TV. Adom TV. Who streaming I share, ja comment I was here. So you know fly the boy say much share Juana. So for the first time in 9 months, a former CEO of a previous administration and the current CEO of the current administration is here on the show. Almost here on the show. And I really disappointed a man for topics. Then I'm ready. Comments and then what Eric J. Posters. Another person, Makai, near what Kofi Muzuka's answer, dear. I say, unfortunately, I had a disappointment. Me did I see is a so I brother care me actually and one for belated happy birthday encore and fama Reverend Victor Kusi Boatin Papa Nenra eya wawoda yesi yakopon enhira ni mpagya ye ekese se na adom no koso nye kese ewo boso. So belated happy birthday encore and fama Reverend Victor Kusi Boatin. Eric Ejay the Chief Executive Officer Adom National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program. Also a member of the Government Communications Team. Kofi Ofosun Kansa, a former CEO of National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program. Also a member of the NPP National Communications Team. A full supporter of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Akanaipe. O finding X now. Also told him say Akanaipe. Because a cream beast. We start already breakfast. See o kwa we no munya arrangement. Don't for no staff. I'm for no staff. We breakfast be happy be.
I say advert be and chance or maybe edi. Ya never pa.
Eti open breakfast papa. I'm our office for one kasa also be open breakfast. Queen beast catering and decoration service na make for Eddie Amao. Omu akwashiman. Omni Macedonia Methodist Church and Eddie and from 0244 362 256 0244 362 256. Queen beast Neddy breakfast papa coffee work all there.
Minya nobody area chain kakra we be aboko Adom TV for what to say.
Omo ye obi anso ye pa
cha arefo nyina
for Dr. Bawumia started
nyame pa as a campaign dey kosoro da free ebra party mpanifo ma kwan se mpanifo timi be form file o nomination o file pe na kese utimi de wujumadi no campaign just into on office nyina no oye campaign o share various groups mobile be declare man ade na nyame pa ukora so start na probo I will start to Ashanti region.
Okay. Eric Ejay
akwasi
na abamu ye
nyame adom
difference wa abamu ni opposition. Okay. Dear number difference aba.
Oh, difference a woman is expectation no huge.
Okay.
And number of course opposition na onam for near 10 is on ya be 1,000.
Emukura 200 fraud de bia. One farmer na bro.
And your friend now on fan ba no.
Why you Jay?
Yes, because you know something. Kofi wa is say upon nyese bi oye na private business or Kofi.
Yeah.
Nti ba me pon mo bibi amekoye in the name of Aban. Yeah. But omo expectation no omo nim de oye.
Okay.
And when na oye no. Nti always no omo no hia wa e wo so omo nya omo nya wa ye problem. Nti Aban ni opposition there kwasi difference will move papa but me in can leadership no na o mi say German of the same cry ya kwan
so boko ye bi adanyo na ko
yeah call
Doma East.
Okay.
I say NDC party no. Penny Fortuna say 1992 edin hye gu ono. Penny ba kwa na obrekum. Yes on the car say yem fetch ni enya ahyenso de.
Okay.
Na kunedu kofa na no ma no we see so. See. Za Penny no dane toy.
Okay. Ni okofa echinye no
e de bae no bae no.
Ba na de na anomansi so.
Me na mpe ni wa no ma. Na odane toy.
Okay. Tena ina mokwa.
Ho be hia se ko ntie koy e wo brekum. Yewie na esan ko doma akwam samejam fikrum.
Yeah.
Wonso na ohene na adane ato ne benkum. Ntie ne general mu nyina so san koy.
Okay.
Yewie na ko wamfi. Wonso na ye constituency executive ba ko na wo for and monso da form.
Okay.
Ye ko boy na ye de be wi kumase.
Oh nice.
Enye easy. Akobedi and they are na no ede.
Makwa na say hope say there.
Ye nyanye but last Wednesday Kwame called Rose Minister we Kwame Abuja.
Okay.
I'm going to go Kwame can part of the big push.
Okay.
It means they will catch a minister very soon contract and best started. So the people of German of Ghana constituency I any first a bit me at Osumino. But Mujidi say and near my beshasi into course na ebano. Yes, sir, more a way in a fasubi.
Okay.
Today was a bian a bay.
What I say? Ubi?
Everything.
Menimut me 8 year Asemwa, the General Secretary of NDC.
Yeah.
At the two.
Yeah.
It's dangerous. Me tie no, yem shame. Say if indeed it's true, then our politics has come to a point danger near too high. Meaning how who differ.
Yo, me da say kwesi. Me say accountability there. Our home politician bia even so party egusu aban mu kra stewardship your account to a good people of Ghana. Yeah. And abeye bibi nso say the developing country to say Ghana yisika sem enkuye any corruption perception and any reality na ade nyina ntino aban bia petumi or use corruption e the campaign pa.
Yeah.
Na amanyosem de wo opposition na utimi kan bibia because no bra wo de be yes ade ni nyenu ho enti o kan e bia mfie nwotwe achi mfie na achi afie achi ansa na expectation ba be reality.
Okay.
Nti amanyofo ye wo opposition atem bia ya na ye kan sem ahodo pi e de pe votes na ye de my supporters and so akoma eto mo yem se enyatumi a sese ne be nti wo hwe enua na NDC fo a amo opposition no amo ehye bopi ewo fighting corruption omampani na do nko akufado omampani dada wo hwe enima wo ye se ode hye ate proye ne ketase so na ba ko panic digitalization.
Okay.
A year se we are buying our adopt e-government processes. Paperless portal, the bar portal, the savings and mine or identification system, I buy and you be synchronize, harmonize, integrate GRA systems, and we are gonna card number anything and in a boy loopholes, ya close. Special prosecutor or the buyer, anytime beer, minimum, na or MPP appointee be. Near Tisono, ensem when it was ongoing. Joshua Mampeni, another Danko Kufuado, he was very proactive in the fight because as any money in a boy, and a preventing him a betting crowd and Drama Susa. Genuine when this is for moving nearby, part of their manifesto promises, almost be the aura, and also almost share bo say you were about $21 billion. Abanda da mu fo afa kwati kwan so afa nti omoba omobehwe na omaje na omode aboa oman no mpuntu ene adwumadie if you say ibu ha yakwa IMF yakwaje 1 billion it me chichim tranches kra ibu 400 million as money as small as 100 million na ya twen IMF so no kra bedu adala nitimi stable utimi se na ye enkwa aba economy no eti kwesina ka 21 billion nyes ka ketwa o hwe Ghana the size of economy rate na year 2024 total size of the economy a nominal gross domestic product GDP $80 billion United States dollars. It's in that case or hanchiche mu adwonunum 25% of the size of the economy. And I know we are not so mobile according to Fubuto. Say we didn't anyhow. So na what the one all can say no enye no na edion na obako through the various prosecution processes. Ade akokot akoji adanse approve say ampa ya kan say bia national cathedral nkrofo diska na ya the evidence akoto judges anim amoma hu say ampa ekwan ya mofa so ya adwuma no mo diska na ampa na eho na asem no ye den ewo no
okay
no so hwe aban na yen so ye ba ye the NDC fo ko gina court sa api
okay
so cases omutimi wie na F5 cases
throughout the 8 years
yes enumpe na yetimi wie enum no wie no na ya attorney general enya judgment 4 out of the 5 I get the success rate in the enye bad the 4 ni enya success rate mse venture capital Maslow Atuesian and then the rest of them so at here na the akano so na ekoso na ye ongoing cases emi anon ba ye no na nyina no almost o ma file no prosecute na ma ye den o ma twansem enti omo ba na o se cooperation recover all lutd na nyina nka ya dwen ne se nka ensem ni nyina ko mbe ma na ye den atwa so to a logical conclusion
okay
nanka kwati kwan bi wo ho a even though these were members of your government to be far so o man sika kodi ni ho a enya nanka ya fa so ne aye den ne achi ohwe one of the cases in Point Esaglami, for instance, Aban spend $200 million. Na project scope no, I was saying kaye a dime makumako 5,000. In the end, no, 1,500 out of 5,000 ye. It's me ye. The sa 3,500 adana man. Anything and penny form share say you made so no. Aban penny for from so maybe one content no much baby this can ye. Acquire. Nti u bejai $200 million scandal issue. Obi also be recover all it. Na wakofa $1 million and as $2 million sky train because I know MPP for men can say bibi entwe ye sky train mu hwehwem.
Okay.
Ade ba ko so a ha me kakra sometimes ye kwan a especially Yoko say omoche aban panifo aban dada mufo a ya omo de faso be conditions omo ye ene kwan a rambo style arrest sometimes ne sa na manema no ebia emre BBC ya na nkyere se chinchina wo se ye den ye to aso ye because kwasi we nyina mu no de hia ne se ye de nipa na ba ko gina court na adanse na beda ho se ampa oye bibia anye den anso ni aban sika kodi ho ne age enye theatrics no ene kwan ya fa so ko ye ne ya ma ne bill se se obi ku nipa kra ya ma ne bill se se amino kaza me se ewura kwa me palo da so sorry kufia palo
so man a bill of 10 million
now kwesi man a bill now the 10 million to so the parcel program we access in 10 million so until sa president na set so wo mu se ebia state institutions am fight crime to say you ko no mo sa mandate no but nipa na to on discretion and o say ebia offense ni nie emuduro ti say ntimi fa say into so shatter wa lady shatter movement for ko yom ko yede so so 10 million about 5 million nti yoko omutimete so and o ko de ko start 10 million so it means any man nyina hu hia sa de hia ne se oyeyu ko be free nipa no why investigation wa twetwe no no ase we out akomo attorney general no so de akọ court me aye ne ntem go freda me achechim de ntia yensema ye de court 5 penny etimi law no ne ekwan ya fa so edi nsem no akwansidi pi wo ha lawyers ne timi use technicalities e de yeden ebiti processes no nti wo se ono na ko oye bill bi e de akọ parliament da ho ya twere am say o draft stage ya pass sa amra na bia sa ade no enru stage bia untimi enye some technical moves bi o court one famous time
okay
it is any man na yese ya mpanifo na say o monso ehwe atentren so o mo hwe no mo adwen koso na ya expedite because se me wodi me ko gina court na ye 5 years a e bia psychological trauma me kom 5 years no ke di assembly 6 months a ka me ho ye den eto me ntam inya fa hodie obo okra onye guilty nso said the any time ipunimu ne and response mo call 8 years because of the technical processes a lawyer for use ye e waste time na and attorney general free so na ko ye ho bill ayi sane man free amana koso no ye ne sa na oman no anya ska yesu onya na oma sabi omonya boni bia se de minister to force ye jani no no so ya den ya jano se oman no be ye appeal na no so ya den wa ye enti me de man no be sie no and some NDC General Secretary Abirem MP kote kan ye no a human institution possible e betimasi
eti abanda dem imunipa betime ene
na NDC General Secretary me ni abam it is NDC General Secretary aba no abeka we who am I to say no ason dem kra adwirimo most kra adwirimo enti possible but say na me nyina nyene sese de hia ne se ye befa kwan tren so kwan papa so na say obi ye bibia enya na scan ya den ya jeffinism obi so ye free so a na ense say ye stressing too much say ye bechew ahomache da ho ne abefa ye meyo obi aye bone a we invite no the only case am support sa Rombo star arrest na ye say bia nipa na wanted but on suffer no na anye den wama
okay
yeah
Wara City Kofi Ofosu Kansa former CEO the man name and my yanhwe and Samua the General Secretary of NDC Ora Fifi Fiabe Kwete Edu Jaye di ho enkomoy.
If it's to be done, it must be done well. And to be done well means it has to be thoroughly done, proper due diligence. The job must be properly done. And you are the lawyers, so you should know. If you say righteousness and justice should be the foundation, it must be. So you cannot in one breath be making proclamations that are condemning those who are on the other side, while you yourself are part of the system that wants to subvert the same laws and the same constitution, the same rights things from being done. So you should be the first point of making sure things are done properly. That's the only way we can establish a society that will be truly great and strong. My first thing. My second is this. And Attorney General, I'm sure the pressure is mounting. We at the level of the party are picking the signals. And the signals we are picking is this. That many among us, in spite of the further pleas and the pressure coming from the public that the things have to be done properly, punishment must be exerted, and things have to be done. Some among us are busy trying to cut deals with people who are supposed to be prosecuted. Some among us are trying to cut deals. Some are becoming conduits through whom pressure is being brought to bear on people who are supposed to do what is right. I'm not mentioning names. A time may come where we may have to. A word to the wise. Some know themselves. Those who are. We are hearing your names. Think again. Because this victory was achieved largely because the people of Ghana wanted the right things done. Not for deals to be cut. For them to say, okay, now that we are on the other side, we cut deals.
The General Secretary of NDC, Ora Fifi Fiabe Kwete, any attendant can we echo so Abra NDC Mranim Foku Echo Shem dear Elkumase. Thanks to City TV or Madam Nyasa video. I channel where for channel 1 TV. I hope say Oba only Kofin Kati deal bia.
That's a good one.
Because who you look so far with me Kati deal. I was a Kati deal bia.
Oh, yeah, Kati.
So what Kati am can get na for can we.
You're trying to listen to general.
I was on the list.
Or say, for now, the old modi. By a quiet name, net talk also sad, yeah. Say, more catted the end. But
honestly speaking, that meant voice, me easy see our boy. I'm so born. Or a penny in the party. You war Abirem CCA. You want cophobia still, or more a 2 months you are. And then you're not there be a cobedi, my party, Jumano, or more your can be part.
Okay.
And I commend him for the statement. And baby or tenor, any baby I met any pet.
Okay.
And somehow who do the general secretary Betino. Ebi am cramente. My general secretary meetings are hold or corner Abirem we muno. Me intimi nko hobi. So what you say? Nti oya penny nti the all cano or no name the all can. And if indeed that is the case, and you're good for our governance. Because you see, you're born to us, said your kind, you know. Some of us, almost all constituencies across the country, you're Kovansa, you're Twaba. And you're born to us, so near messenger, you're the Ghana for, say, a bar and who Juma and your burial. And I was a more visit about what I told a canea feno. Na Ghana for the door now with Chimu Pobi say, MPP are buying that nature mukono. Or maybe did dream park at us a prayer. Now, there perception away in the system. Okay. So some people voted for us. Say, Omunim see a bar, Sani Mano, the Bashir near Mahudu Pim. And so you're born to an Yakofa Ura at the buy. I say, Operation Recover All Loots. I think, say, Sa freeze and Ankasa catch your attention because Nipa ne would you say, Nkofo di dream or Manuno in your GDO. You to me no man penny power committee. Ya Obeka Minere Monacha Money, COP Kofi Boache, Domelevo, na some other people, Martin Kibumo. So they sat for weeks, almost more than a month cry. And your car say, Usu winning Bibia, Abirem anymore, just bring it, they will vet it. Think of Obi submit your petitions in their account. And on say, Mra once no. And yet, just a day work, said the Bia, you know. Said the Nakofi came. The Dr. Puniko Jina Court. And fear watching. Young father no court no crown, or near Dickian crucifying in the social media. So can I find ex Kennedy Japan. Then I want come for Dr. Punu Kruma, and now we are chrome for, and now we say that we could do court no. The story was different. Okay. So now, Yaba Bemu, your co-position Yaba. You see, you fight corruption. Won't mean sorry, say we are a paper mouse, say we are born and now, or time now they are Kujina court. Court here, they are dancing in echo. And I believe strongly, sir, the Ages Department is doing a whole lot of things at ABA and Kofo in him. In a way, I'm a bit closer to Attorney General, Dr. Enemene, a fine power. He's doing a lot. And see, almost started more prosecution in court. Also believing in the principle, say, yes, I also require no collusion no waba. Oh, how be qua. But make sure, sir, some now they call court no. Or they quack could dink kunim, not they also mining free mono, or mining free. Many occasions see, there were a lot of people, I'm assuming to me moody. Okay. Yeah, or more quite Attorney General, so more plea bagging.
Abandoned.
Yes.
Yes. Say a car, or Monamujumedi, so a more minor boy.
Yes.
Yes. He said, on the call as a mean
to me moody. I know some of them.
Unzon to me moody.
When I'm here, they are some age. Those people are going there to say, Sikana, a 4 months, as now, Matison, you may be because of Kukuomo, I beg court.
Is it not because Attorney General extended that open hand, Lintina?
No, it's a part of simply bagging, a part of our loss.
Yeah.
You see, one thing I was at the 2 team, they say, because it's so before my Sika. Now, I saw the Sika never. Was it there be me jail?
Okay.
Jail now, we jail in the individual and we jail no. Meboa.
Okay.
And a Sika now, Ojeno, a your man on our saving no.
Yeah.
And we have to weigh the options.
Okay.
Obekaya, Japamu case no. Omodi asem no call quarter. Yedi nyina ni enim say your boss out of force and now on yeshi. it got to a time company na no supply nyama no Japan ka say sika na ewo mu na omo ka no they are willing to pay. Okay.
Yeah.
And I go for that me attorney general so ntiase or call the prosecution ya ko jailing for. At the end of the day, you di asem no wie no Japan ho son ato force no honorable ne ho son. Sika na anka omo se omo de ba na attorney general anye ne den no. Many umi no ete ha ni sebe na sebe impreduasa na yansa ho. Ah? Uti de meka no. Company ni so wode ba. Also see there be me target na to force me penajeli no because that time na skirmishes now ye ne form ye say by election date na ho. So the whole issue was about to force. At the end of the day, court batan atenase abo asem na gu say na one adanse papa bia. In the plea bargain a part of our loss.
Okay.
In the say bi ko ho na age betimi agi sika ne bia ba. I have no problem with that.
So I think the challenge the challenge be most war e plea bargain no yes. We are then you are giving window to a man for
you are not giving window.
Obetimi for Mexica.
You are not giving window.
For example, the Unibank issue. Say obetua 60%, 40% bako. Nti ene say nyame pemu Eric Enyesa. Say Eric Eje take advantage of the system. No obetimi afa $5 million. No cost set up business enya so faso. Ni ebeba no man so betua by $7 million. Na mu $7 million crowd twa mu 60%. Eric o man ye di na bura na say ye de
kwazi wan say etoda o de o yen century ni kwan a ye fa so di asem o court no mo kwa asem ba ko pe na mu yi na mo blow ni paper ma de chan ni discuss.
Okay.
But bia the details yi na ankasa no mo munya.
Okay.
And no one can say what they did in Uniban's case and wrong. And you're wrong. And go for and watch Romo. Yes, this can also be biaba. See na ni payments a year the man.
Yeah.
Now, because you are the beba, yen tenazi ase, yen men on kaho. So the yen try na ye ria jelly crani jelly no. Then he be answer mine. They make an what I say. And I thought that one, maybe American. Some of these institutions are now ye trial mugidi in the Kikahono. If you answer your politicians, you will my account contribution, you contribute to the wars and your can be.
Okay.
Institution Bema contract Abisia, some farm Koyejuma. Or the Akoyejuma, and fear watching, and I'm fearing some contractor and Unchianica. Bank and also a camen. Now, this is can also bank in Edino. Utia contractor and also canoman, no, so kutia bank. And your man here and same be brave.
Okay.
So, media mestre, my general secretary, I can't say much because my dicky can minimum information or what. But I believe strongly, say, Dr. Anyini is doing something.
Okay.
I believe strongly.
So, Kofi, can we find it? Okay.
Kofi now or can't David say, Yoko.
Yeah.
Approach na amode chechenko for any bill na ya na.
The Rambo style.
Yeah. Rambo style, I don't chase.
In my example, this is so Kofi post video. Police for padansi almost statement omushi almost say omra no omechire video. Okay. Ti kana se komo to omon side. A friend. We dey ahomache on na yere ne madana. Omko tutu ne pro ne ekoso an. I don't know the later mushi no so mo say nsam no omede omechire.
One say
yeah.
Oh my na ye the politicians who are so for no here. Enema eye de enyenye. Rambo style am okay. Mo na mo de Rambo kra ba Ghana. What I say? Now mo na political party am de Rambo aba Ghana. No musro Rambo style. I thought that we should be a bit honest. Yoko ni sa ankofo no sa na omudi omujuma aban bi apen so say ya no mo ye no. Say ya ye betimi ama ya bobo bidie sisi ye even Dr. Anyini Attorney General ya meka na asem. Okay ye ko opposition. Omukọ ransaki ni fie. Then Attorney General.
Nti enye kura ye
to. Penny Energy Minister current one. John Jinapo. Omukọ ransaki ni fie. I am not saying say enye kura ye to aso. Okay. Ba me pese o ti ase say nye na na kwadu bre.
Okay, say me acknowledge say BS dada na chense to aso.
Yes, ba. Nye na na kwadu ni bre ya ye tie di. Sa na ye no. Me tie sisi e, omo be family Rambo style I go. Now, could you me a country?
Rambo MPP phone call on phone.
Me some one the Rambo Nankasa bag. I'm this MPP phone call. Now the Rambo about starting. Me tears here. Okay. Me, Manya Bonibio. Sir, National Signals Bureau.
Yeah.
Send the Hona Tabuatan. We need the Omode Yamil.
Omoko opposition.
Yes, we need the Omode Yamil. You invite him, and I was saying, 5 days, me call 10 days, me could be the Omo Pomunye. First, the minute lawyer digital Maculinacoy. Me say, Kofu, the make chef, the beam saying someone make an electron, dear, if you didn't meeting. Yeah, me lie detector test.
Send us one of the Rollins. Send us one of the Rollins.
Yeah, Jimmy Cotton, baby, now, yeah, if you did be chichiri me home, and I'm beside one, and Master, me margin on the mechanic also me boy, if you didn't make home.
Now, you found another buy.
You do share lie detector machine
in opposition.
Send a chantro.
Yeah, the idea, man, only more. It to Jinana and Enoko. But me make with about 10 credit. Because they are more than a sabi a banning answer be any. And I might come at the appropriate time. I respond to them squarely. You were branded you or your friend Benjamin answer.
Okay.
But that's all. I like you, I know you soon, but that's all national signal.
No, you shouldn't say.
Oh, one and now you're more hatchet man or national security. I know him. Now, me no one meeting, me busa no question, no, I say. The Omo de me. Omo kofa my wa mienu, and I memu amiensa. And Omo busa me 7 phone questions, Omo busa me make sense. So, you go to a time, I am pain, me can't am around. You go to a time, and I'll catch them, lawyer, and say, Meba, Fatchaman, Miss Retty for. And I'll catch them, lawyer, and say, on Cassana, say, me yin 700. Need you catch them, very good, only how to communicate. Until somehow can be an Jano. But Saturday night, the opposition, I won't in a DMU. I don't want to talk about the main issue. But MPP Nibia, Koyenibia, witch hunting, and I had Rambo Star. Because me say your mammy, my tardy. Any a day, and near maybe saw me home. Oh,
that's for
our national security for Bonnie Benamai. Into question will be me be me say yes, oh no, me say yes, oh fuck cocaine, me say yes. Yes, I was angry. I was angry because you see, sir, Nipa air yawa there. Now cry diawa. It is not easy. And the omu busameno, there's no sense.
But who feel say na enya dia enya question na o say bisa.
Nya question impo dia wa frame ho no. Nyansan nim say na frame in the first place. Enti me call ho no. Me call ho no me call ho. I told them say ade bi omu pe bia no o mbenya. Enti time omo de me question machine no question bi obusam bia me say yes.
Onum wi.
Me say yes.
Onum dot.
Ni nyina everything. Question bi man can no o fa fa bia kan
o club
meti ho searching
o escrow
and o ka kire me wo bi and o
ka ni nyina so jitu so
na me fa ho na me level na no mo de me ko message o mo pe bi o mo
o girlfriend
o de cause we ni mi bi na ye wie no first day ni jam na job 11 unim yare ana ha me pa yosa na yede me kwhye hosa anopa be 9 na yija me na 11 na the whole day bibia ntom yem pain no na hu ni sen so kofi fine ene ma ne bi wo ha wani nye ho ba me de sa ma banda da ne DJ me wo sa de no ho me mfa nche munana kufu ado ne mpanimfo da because how na ka monto bode jokra ma mini mini lawyer digital
se unhu se untumi opie free yo ko no tibi na tekora for this
me ole anso amfa biana
me lawyer na so ontwe ne ho ba bia me obi obetena ho a nti otime nchesa nti what they say
tu ni nyina se na kom de mo
na se bi ono ne obi oboti ase oba de na edu ba bi na o se ana o meditate me that night no na edu ji so o meditate me ono me beda ho
nti entertain
me mo koba ye koba o ye entertain me ye ja me be 11
mun so ka munya
ade chi ye na o mo se men samra ye san koi third time no mo friend am catch o mo se me ma
because me ba no
you see
one difference
the difference I get you but the person me tell say we are politicians
okay
ye trasa we should be very careful me the very day me new penny atabo atemba ya me call signals me hu masa na makoma e pai balu
Nipa na
oye me sa no. I saw him. And on no anim say saa de na ode ye me ne nenye. But aban bi na tie akonya so. Nti ene man ka say ye mfa sa ankoye kofi o. But the me pese me kire ne say one thing in politics enye nyamesom. Nyamesom ni timi ka say wo som nyame a wakatua wo soro. Na waje adi e be kwa akwaje wo ho. Ba me America je me de me principle ne say adwuma ye gipe wasase so ha na etua no.
Okay.
Nti de amode ye nipa mrebi no. Don't forget say the be obi.
Okay.
Hwemini Asam George. Aya waso yetimi bo na so tro te se kromfo. Go fi say ohun video no bi.
Hu say na so one video.
Okay. Ye bo na so tro se kromfo. Na no ye kwa blekuma na obi tu ko hede how ade abusukum. Ni nyina anye but the esi mrebi no. E case study a obi so dey atu ni tim so no so nya nipa obeye ni bi. So we should be very careful how we do our things. Ye mebuno. Yes, you see, John Bodu Moko pension, and no one ever. Inti mu dear Bonia, na madrina say, and no one. Is it one and Mudi? If you can say, you do Bonia. Is it one to me? Was he? You see, as I make us know, that was what I said. So I said, because I even made reference to NDC for reset on Mukai. I'm on your fire and I saw Denkakra. If is any man will be bayanya at time 4 and as well, lose good real. Bonus of for about no so the same thing. It's in a chronicle was seen. ABS, any many be a Abirem MP cry good runner, and I'm swing to a wedding, or Molusubi. Okay. More mobile reset judiciary, mobile reset the administration of justice. It will be reset administration of justice. That's a BBC, I was so westward gone. Now, I'm queer, and I can say, double, and triple. Oh, the obo a come. Former minister, no one anything. Deputy organizer. So what I say? Nana Lord, deputy organizer. The paper, member, be do. No want to share no so boot life. Because when Nana Lord video na near the deputy national organizer. Is that Black Manot? Yes. It was terrible. One who some George video, no, they Black Man there.
Ah, me but me cast my video.
Ah, okay. So what I say? 80. My channel me who say
you see, we must stop somewhere. So say you can say, I mean whatever idea young prosecuting the like say nanya idea ni wonyina so. Until I condemn it. But at least on my example say the bisa 117 ma ko fie say sambra. Those are the things we're expecting the government to do. So, I want to show you a suspicion and then you might be no more the edge man, son, a child, among your premier fussy, and son, as a wedding in a subu, high the cocoa, tabed, a baby. It's here, and if I may be one friend and Musana, no, someone who's a semina at Nipano, will be able to find no crew man as an Ukrainian day. Okay. Mammy can be big a craving and fat, go for damn, quite of fast, yeah, on about to force him cases in the credit. Say play bargain on pay. None of the link for because I told you play bargain go for them and I or yeah.
Okay.
And the friend is a Unibank there, so I be do her and a Monday ratio about 60-40. I'm more than to another. I can on fair more boy NDC and on fair because you money plenty on your system. No, 40. So now what I can know the so not technicalities.
Over 40 maybe one.
Oh, you're not American. You're on the kind. Technicality. Anyway, when you say now Attorney General, EPS and some no acquire could do a logical conclusion. Yes, prime suspects in Nigeria to say, "Oh, na eba betray scam." Then yes, obi otincha or vendor na obeto aden eba betray. And no, and I say na in fact, omo conferences on the plea bargain cry. Attorney General Department, any accused no lawyers na
okay. Yeah, case ni ko season.
Yeah, fine. It's no cry in so e say. Yen MPP, ye was no the judiciary operated equally. So what I say, assembly de kusi and say you lose high court no. Attorney General is an file appeal. Appeal court. And I'm mobile my bed, mo betwem.
Yeah, buy any
oh yeah. Cases no filing no protocol.
What the king
mo filing no protocol.
Case ni mo lose or high court. So what I say, agent no ho say. Interview
so it is still pending. Because he said aban lose asem. Na so aban san de kwa appeal court. Asem ni ntwem, asem ni da so ho. But no crowd there is neither here nor there. But then am person me chiri mo ani say Attorney General was okay with the plea bargain. Okay. This can obey. Na emu na ye ehun komodie say the oje tum so na be trace no. Eno ho na antiase anye den. Anye adwuma ko ba sa. Ha because me I also agree say o man ni nusu ska be na ye. It is okay. Nipa no okoda mu na ye den.
What say? And the man is be white. Intina me general secretary kase. What the papa ya not national services. Or ultimate service pay no be.
Miss Annie Manina, you see a suspicion. That's allegation. It's allegation. It has not been confirmed. Sandy Manina, because some
person me can't see me. I thought that my mean 2 years for yeah politicians no. Say nyame ye wadom na oba ban mu. Ye de aban sika ma wa ya ma wani na ho kakra. Because oman ni nyina na wanya akwanya na wosom ana meboa. Nti wo interest na aye sen. Wo interest chen okuro interest. No. And I near man be wo ye na ye ka ho asem a. Yeah, na difficult to even say nipa betimi defend o. Kwasi national service why you adwuma wada. There. Oni nkofo wa yonkofa o. Oni obi wa yonkofa nya ba say ye nipa e de. O ka ena na say. Omo ko no. O ye na mo namfo. Very good. And near man be na e ba bonte na e.
Allegations e me ntimi fan kasa.
E be do court we say different matter. Court dan ho bobo na no wo ho. But na me kasa nkofo start say plea bargain ne de keka ho no. Wotin nsem no bia abote. Nti e be sere e na ye na e wa ban mu. Say ye say abanda da mu fo no mebu akonta na ochena. Ya ye teso nei. Yes you be bebu akonta. Nti baby out in bia no ya appointee of the president. I say musu be katidi. You do adwombo do wona be. Nti say wo aban mu na ya aban pani a. Na wo ma wani ada ho. Maza. Now open wabreu. Na me ka say wo position o. Say your call regional caucus meeting no betena ho. Okay. Utim say why ha. Na say ya dia be chen mo caucus. Yes, dia be chen mo caucus. It's not easy. Yeah. It's say we kwa kuna judge no one do be ka say fedie. Me ruling eba. Na dia be chen mo bottom.
So, anything na say you streamline your judiciary processes no. Na attending in a content because I'm one man and I'm one day we accused no so. Okay.
But as some for message kakraya about we see a good morning. Let's give Dr. Baumia another chance. Because I do know something, the economy is still hard. Government is only interested in sacking and arresting people. Why? Kudos to my boss, Kofi, Keke, Edwin Frikaswa, and or the Ebai.
Was it Kaswaide? Kaswaide.
What's your note?
Kaswaide, and so many. Oh, my ring. No, say, or support one.
So let's give Baumia another chance.
Oh, no, that's all my head in your cancer. Okay.
I was say good morning. NDC promised us 24-hour economy. 9 months of NDC government has demonstrated poor vision, less leadership, too much talking, no action. My MPP family, let's unite for victory 2028. Inshallah. Kumensa Edwefe Domi Plateau. NOD Ebai.
Can I pay? That's 41 now to baby.
I was say good morning. Extend my greetings to Eric and Jay. I'm watching you live from Imkrakan, brother Kwabena, Eddie also Eddie Bayan. Was a good morning. I was saying, please tell the National Democratic Congress that we cannot believe them that they have sacked the Chief Justice. Please, I think they should go back and come again. I'm Benjamin Pepra from Aguna Nyakrum. Also, they also Eddie Bayan. I don't know. Where is it? Oh no, it is. Otopa, where they fetch me. Would I know shedodo? Mr. Mother, yeah, your messages no. And why? Your message no, I want. Only pen for a while. Say, when you want cabo, say, it's nice to be around them. Yema, your message, and Tipako say, good morning. Extend my greetings to the grassroots president, Kofi Ofosu Inkasa. We love you. Way from Abrewa, Bubuashi, and also Eddie Efri Ebai. And I will say, my regards to other movies, how I come to Naboketin Afeku A. The state of insecurity in Ghana is becoming alarming with Ghanaians in Cote d'Ivoire and Burkina Faso as refugees, which is unprecedented in the history of Ghana. And that has Abronya done to deserve this intimidation and persecution, because we were in the country where he went Sami Jamfi and some NDC groups insulted Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. No one arrested them. We are all Ghanaians. OPK. And anyway, and so every hour for God so by Kofi Menim, so when you HMT chief of staff as more the two in building Ghana. Say I no pay kwa na say America force after them one of the mayor krano. omo de cry
obi kan bro yan so omo say why then
o say intimidation persecution me
so
ni ahoto o mai
abro yan
o so ni ahoto
ono o ya journalist so we be TV ana nyo no na oka dabi o host show ene se obe ya nyumre
na the journalist mo ba so much bi matata bi o
say chemu ya for even remember mo president e benze
abajumfo
jumfo on command form no register because ko position na obi a TV
onye member of GG
and I'm say monye omunka na monye no na media foundation for West Africa for so nkan bi man
as say media na
social tata boy me ba obi an tata boy ukuma
oh is what file for
jandam no bia when na tata oh na ye kan aban
is what file for
na ma tata me say abronya na mutimi ko tata no
abronya ono mahama mamu we na ono impact be na wo ye so tata no
yeah obi a mo che TikTokers abronya na mutimi nche
ono kwambafo minia ni sesen
obi a mutimi che
TikTok say problem an party ni ye kontata
obi a ba mo che TikTok mutimi che region
for even asylum
kwame enough of the jandam we will crow here so betwe krata ubetimi afasampa Ivory Coast ye musa hwe na ukọ so say ha hia ma na won nsem a waka ne krum ha se nipa ka se yedi wanu achi a na se ka woni di wa ban we pen so. But we are all citizens of this country. You know he's a brother. Many any problem.
Yeah.
But me dey say nipa wo ho ade bia me pay unnecessary attention. Obi anye ni hu onye President Mahama target. Because enkofo ade omubu o manya ye president mamufo ho to mo no kwa menye problem won ka ho bi.
But TikTok is no problem.
Kwa me kasa o kasa fa ban we hu bia no and travel 1 minute. Okay. Because no say the TV station fine is ya no fine inti ene ne of TikTok is now come myself. You see that is the reason why NEIP you see you be training ethical content creators. Ethical is underlined. The fact that
NEIP
yes be application NEPA 2000 and something apply. Yes be set your one app
ethical content creators.
Yes we are coming to do that. You know why I'm doing so? Many what years the ones also TikTok for in a chum. Ba ko ye de omukọ na metie ne maame interview maame ne si officer hwi nkran kra onim ha o ma hada wo te se hwiada bukrum wonya kwanya bedu nkran wo so ye adwuma ma ne fie no wo twe mobile phone de si so a ensem wen wo se wo ka kire e na wo ka
Kaventela ne
na asemosi
Kaventela ne kire wo nyina ho ne firi
oye na ebo Ghana nipa ye hwere nipa nwotwe
Kaventela
na wotimi kotena TikTok ko say and the next person your president you be kuno like put me ba you get your time
what is this amene ne boss to kuna na do mai
meba wotimi kotena TikTok e ka say man pani ne you be kuno ye hu ba bia ni funu like what and you think this is a language security for first be you ano o say you tata ni pa TikTok obi ahwere ne maame o de hwe soldiers no nkofo no mu ye ba akon wa wo ne ba be 3 months and this kunafo no hwe o video na wo obi ewu o man no bumbu aboye na wo bose na you think that is good enkofi enema we nyina Ghana fo assess the to about ana mo mfa ma
de ko
fancy comedy se wan kokeka ne nsem wie owie ya na aka na pe ekwa embrace no so wa ya de
comedy wan ka hwe
o ti ase because ono de co host to that platform no mo keka but what we are saying is disclaimer some new party back in the say some to fear was say me there
at all
that shouldn't be the case and can be me expecting say wo crowd be two omofo
you two omofo
say kasa bi wo ho a
better start over be say
wo ka but say who ni say you good there I think it's good
was answer me call you lost the answer no kind so until say MPP by power na na do dan kwakufu at the time no nanka minim say anoye pa ade anoye a yetimi de si TV so the better internet so man ekoso sa my challenge me Eric
okay
so before 2017 so obekai blogger to say Kevin Taylor I would di krum ha hemfo nyina atem edi empanifo nyina atem from president to the last appointee me and some oka efa na on printable no because I started attacking process to me dem ko yi an so empanifo anyo mo sa enema enima mintimi ka wono ka fam so what I say it is ansem na NDC for na omu free so omu petumi eti omu ko share Kevin Taylor chi e ko share ne kutupa e ma ne kan ye ene defamation cases ahodo ekotia no omu protect no man of VIP lounge protection e dey 5 VIP e say dey kwatena vice president residence then I Supreme Court through judicial research. I clear. Yes, Kevin tell anya boni bia we did do tun fata manya hwe we did o chenhina atem we did ya na atem manya hwe we did friend say ogwache so ohini bia no ohini frame we are not the other tribes
so o tun fo ne we ma so obu amfa ne
o tun fo de Kevin tell akokot
obi amfa ne
anya court asem na me kan bet me
ka say dey una
empanifo
una onim nkofo a Kevin di o matter o listen
of course anya mabubu achire
na say so nkofo ya na no mo be yes una o train omo
me train obi ya
omo am be kan say
Mintini obi ya so 18 ka mintini obi ya omo ye freestylist nya botre omo ye freestylist nya botre meba so ati ase ene idie
o wa eti o ti amo na omo nam kru ma
sankrofo no asuan Africa Kevin Taylor ho ya ne de musu me nka say I have spoken about this and condemned it on several platforms so ati ase ene nsem ni bo ha o ko TikTok na tia na ya ma say eh to mo mpani pa na ye ka na hu nsem say because ni pa na tete fidintin internet chi bo baby ewo abrochire na wo ka because obi 8 years efa ne hudi na obi ti na abrochire ka ne nsem hu se bi na abo obi platform so na obi aba na platform so na abechi no fancy comedy ni pa krono ba na platform so be kan sa asem no o ka chere so ntwensan esan ko issue disclaimer e video e de condemn e pa chew se we de ntwe yi e de be no onye kwasi ye to platform so se ye kan bibi na so for so ye na se ya ntwe ansan ya e de na be o be issue disclaimer no a multimedia group of film and nobody will come after you and blame you for doing it. You're about women organizer or Northton, AY. I'm going to say on the voice, any Nipacro, Bruche or whatever, or had all kinds of them. I'm friend, and also Drew being a CID on board voice and share no, may I even my voice and answer for my time. Now, for company Nipacrono, or can Nipa or can she never say, I'm here. Foolish case. You don't arrest somebody for obi offense as much as we condemn Sanyamano. And here, I can say, I'm going to tell you. Onya iti oti nko yebi mano training of trainers na oye ko tete na ka kire ne say insulting and attacking opposition members because say it feeds into your political agenda and opposition party for ho enya kono eboa party ni internet dem nka me hu say this ni be condemn Kevin Taylor ubusa won a we si ko busa minister we ko busa won ko busa we time mo de 5 VIP launch by allegations obi e dwane. So we cannot play the ostrich and be hypocritical about this. Say you condemn one, you condemn all right. Yeah, you kwada na no makasa. Say ubetima kan wasa criticize the government. Yeah, you zoom trainings na and more. Obu ha inexperience, enya bo apayo. Omo ye kwada. Omu nim. It was excited. Say 400,000. Yeah, some of them are 18, 19, 20, 21 years.
40.
Yes, some of them are very young. Only experience. Only secondary school and then media pluralism. And the opening of the new media space here. The hands when you're telling Ghana, be your smartphone. Also, a journalist. Fancy comedy, I can say me over close to 500,000 followers on TikTok. Or no, I can tell our phones was and so I say 80. They are not exposed to any experience and to mobile almost my better but opening more on a journalist at BB FN allow silence when he no the analysis if you upon or church Ghana bloggers at oh yes
Ultimate training kwada omo di fake news na ba
when you nyina so nya no kra enti say ye pese ye new media landscape no e short here. Let us not pretend. Let us not pretend.
Okay.
Let's regulate them. It is a President Mahama. I can bloggers no answer. Say regulation is good. Let's provide them the training. Okay. But some bloggers no. President Mahama and Pacho Kevin Taylor come.
But I say.
Na man entity any be. No nya na phone penifone obi o matter. Answer wono.
Meba Kelvin 5 seconds starting ejuma nyende. There was a time na Kevin money na di kaso.
Enye no kre.
For sister or
Satan no ni diatem mo na mo man study diatem.
Start here no kan ya say. And I ne e ba mo so. What was it? I can fubu baby say kwan na kan.
Eric. Me challenge o say father say Kevin Taylor
but as media question for us say come Queen Beast catering and decoration services. Mr. Wada microphone off. Say open baby abenya breakfast papa edia e Queen Beast. From 0244 362 256 0244 362 256. Let's talk breakfast papa ever frabo and chemidi akwasi is here or chena down from us to us cause Adom TV yakra